Recording in progress. Player number one.
I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth to me. It's now it occurred to me. Hell gon' burn like third degree. If you know your herstory, Jesus paid that purse for me, and he took that curse from me. If you think that's perjury, boy, you better learn to read. Ayy, me and my baby girl in on a court, call that double dutch. I've been walking with the Lord, can't be doing such and such. Wait, I took a minute, but now I'm back in it. If God isn't with it, I don't wanna visit. I went independent and started repenting and cut out that fake. I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it worked. I'ma walk this way till they put me in the dirt. May your kingdom come as in heaven on this earth, earth, as in heaven on this earth, earth, as in heaven on this earth, earth.
What is good? Welcome in, my friends. How we doing?
Too many perks to being a child of God. I can't pop one. It's too many songs, not about the crown. I can't drop one. If God pulled a trigger.
All right, welcome in, welcome in. Yeet. Good to see you guys.
Okay, gotta pay my dues. I know he gon' reimburse me. I can't hide my love for God, Brody. You can search me. Horoscopes and dream catchers. Tell me, is it working? Some of y'all be too drunk off cloud. Don't be thirsty.
All right, well, welcome in, everyone. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to another New York session.
I I just took a break, okay, and now it's back to work. God made a way, that's the only way it
Let's do it. Who we got here? Z Gamer in the house. There he is. There he is. What up, Energy? What up, Louis G? Louis G. Only bands in the house. What's pop? What's pop? Arrow Sassy in the building. Clubhouse got motion. Clubhouse got motion. It's frozen. It's frozen. What up, J Coop? DJ Scratches in the house. What's pop? What's up, Ben Bennett? What up, Garrett? Yeah, I think we broke it. What's up, Aaron? Good to see you, man. All right, let's do this. You guys ready to rumble? Wokey in the building. What up? Trado Voss in the house. What's good? Wow, Zoom's broke. No spamming on Zoom right now. It's getting too crazy. Wow. Good to see you guys. Welcome in. How's everybody doing? Yes, sir. Happy Thursday. There we go. Now we're back. You guys froze my computer for a second. My goodness. What up, Yogi? Mr. Phil in the building. I'm just kidding. What up, Captain? What up, Exit Strat? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My apologies. I'm running a little behind. Got some daddy duties here, you know? Some grateful for them, though, you know? Grateful. What up, Price Action Kev? What's good? Bands counted up in the building. What up, SK? What up, Solid? Solid's in the house. What's good? What up, Mason? How you guys doing? Welcome in. What's up, Harvey? What's up, Anthony? Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Give me 1 second. All right, we got another day on our hands. Let's do this. We were 2 for 2 yesterday. And that's I didn't really take anything in Asia, nothing in London. Took something in a little pre-New York here today, and that was pretty much it so far. So let's see if we can get on the board, my friends. Excuse me. What up, Muggs? Yeah, Pablo in the house, bright and early here. South Carolina vibes. Okay, what do you say we get into it? We got a good day here in front of us. It is Thursday. It is the 29th of October, right? No, 30th of October. And today's payout day as well. So we're going to take a payout here on the live stream today. And we'll see what we can come up with here at the desk in terms of price action. See where we can get in and get out. And you know how we do it. Yeah, you know how we do it. We'll do our thing, yeah. Let's fill them up, Louis G. What's up, Wilson? Love you, brother. Love you. What up, Vince? It's Plan G in the house. What up, Mufasa? All right, so what do you say we begin here? Let me pray for you guys real quick, and then we'll start our journey and our voyage here this morning, all right? Let's do that. All right, well, Father God, I pray a special blessing, Lord, for your people here today. Lord, we just thank you that we can even do this, that we can gather together. We don't get to do it. We don't have to do it. It's a privilege. It's an honor to be here, Lord. We see what you're doing. Your hand is moving all around the world throughout this community, and we just thank you, Lord. That's all. We just thank you today. We don't ask for much. We already have all the blessings that we need. So we thank you for it, Lord, and we just thank you for continuing to guide us, continuing to be present here during these sessions, and blessing them, filling them with knowledge and wisdom, and we just thank you for it. So we give you the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. What a day. What a day. Let us rejoice in it, my friends. Let us be glad in it. I'll be honest, if you're sitting here with a frown, it's time to turn that thing upside down. All right, let's get that smile cooking. Let's get that attitude up, and let's get into it, right? There you go, boys. There you go. Clubhouse knows the vibes. Yeah, let's do this. All right, let's get into it here. Look at that face. Just can we all just take a moment just to look at it? Just look at this guy. I mean, just look at him. Look at him. Wow. So they're working on stuff in Japan, I believe. Yeah, Japan. So I think we still got government shutdowns. Yep, we had FOMC come out yesterday. Let me just refresh the page here real quick. Where is that? What is today? Yeah, today's Thursday the 30th. That's right. Okay, cool. Yeah, yesterday we had FOMC come out. I don't know if any of you guys traded that throughout the afternoon, but it was wild, right? Big wick-saw candle, and we've settled in. We did close bearish here. We'll go over the technicals in just a minute, but in terms of today, we don't really have much, right? Just some natural gas storage stuff going on over here. Everything else is, just like Fed meetings and stuff like that. So nothing to worry about here. Nothing to really have to keep our heads up on. Let's dive into the technicals. let's run through a fresh top-down analysis, and then yeah, we'll see what we can come up with. If you guys can, give the stream a like for me, and let's get ready to do this. You guys ready? Ready? My throat's a little parched. Let me get a little sip of excess. All right, let's do this. So let's talk about gold. This is the daily time frame. Let me just lower that music a little bit. Boom. Okay, perfect. All right, that should be good. If it's too loud, just kindly interrupt me over here, and I'll keep an eye on the chat. All right, so let's talk about gold here. This is gold daily time frame, and we are currently looking at what seems to look like is a bullish candle, right? But that candle's still open, so we are, still in strives to move down. So let me just talk about gold for a moment here. You had a closure below the range here, right? So you had a big move down. Right, we came down, kind of trending, created a little lower high, came back down. We closed very strong bearish here, but only to close above that support to the left-hand side, right? So we finally did get this candle to close right below the range, and that means that we're currently trading within this zone right here, right? So basically what I'm looking for is this daily time frame to continue moving down. If we have to break and retest, that's fine, but that could be what we're doing right now. We have broken the daily lows. We have not broken the daily highs just yet. So for all we know, this candle could be making a top wick just to continue back down later and retest that support over there at like 38.78, I think it is. So we'll see about that. So I am bearish based off the daily time frame. Again, could we be making a top wick here, respecting the previous candle highs to come on down, break that low, and continue into that support? That's kind of the vision for this daily candle, but let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour, because for some reason we haven't been able to break that low yet. So we got to see what's going on here, right? So let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4 hours been moving up, so this is perfect. You've been moving up for quite some time. Obviously you've been making that daily top wick, right? And we come right into this overall zone, right? So if we can get a little fake out here on the 4-hour chart, closure, let's say back below the range, then we should continue that move down in the daily now. So 4-hour trying to head south. I know we did close bullish, but we're kind of right in this zone here. So let's see how we do if we respect the low, or what we start to do on this 4-hour candle. But I'm open for both buys and sells today. So let's take a look at this. We got a support here on the 1-hour time frame at 39.72. We have a resistance, I guess, right at 39.90. So right now we're kind of in that range. It's almost like a no trade range here. Below that is super clean, right? As you can see, we've got 370 pip range to the downside. If we come back above 90, we've got a 250 pip range to the upside, right? So let's take a look at the 30. We got a little minor area of support here. Same deal with the 15. So previous 15 just closed with no top wick. So let's just lock in on this resistance here. I think we could adjust that. And then support. Yeah, I think we got to leave it. Yeah, that's a pretty strong area of support. So we'll probably leave it right there. And yeah, look for potential sells below there. If we can get the hour closure below there, that'd be great. If not, we'll see what we can do. But same exact price action as the other day, where we close with no bottom wick. Let me just see MGC here real quick. Yeah, that's interesting. See how MGC got a bottom wick, right? But no bottom wick on the GC chart. So pretty interesting there. But yeah, we'll just have to wait. Let's wait this 15-minute candle. The previous one, quote unquote, closed with no bottom wick according to GC. So let's just hang tight and wait, see what we can do in this area. And then I think if we could break below, we got a very, very good shot at, wow, that's 100 pips. That's 100 pips. Holy. All right, so we definitely have a good shot at filling that little range right there, and then potentially continuing to move down even further. So I do like the sells below. Again, 30-minute closures will be probably best. If we want to close back above, I think the buys are pretty good from here, being that the 4-hour candle is bullish, right? We'll get a little bit more aggressive on the buys. If we can get that closure above on the 30-minute, we're in there like swimwear, right? We got a wick to fill here. 75 pips, and then a massive 270 pip move up. So that's what I'll be looking for here today. So let me just measure this range here. It'll be a tough range, 150 pip range there. So let's see if we can get the buys above 88. So buys above 39.88 here look pretty good, and then sells below 39.72. That may change. That may change up a little bit throughout the session. We'll see, because if we start getting some sort of like rejections from here, right? Let's say we kind of reject again, boom, kind of fill it, reject it. Then you may have a shot at, right, kind of anticipating the sells from 90 up here, right? So if you get the right price action and it comes at the right time, then we can maybe look to take that sell there. So we'll see about that. As of right now, this is kind of like a no trade range, you know, between 72 and 89-ish. And then anything above or below looks good. So that's pretty much it. Pretty simple day. We got price action surrounded at the moment. Let me just check the 4 hour. Yeah, the break of the lows, right, is the 72 is the break of the 4 hour lows here. So we'll see what happens. But if we do close above, I do like the buys, and I'll be willing to participate in those. So buys above 89 here look pretty good. Yeah, so no trade range here for me. In the middle, anything below that is pretty clean in terms of taking positions. Anything above that is pretty clean, but probably going to stay out of the red zone for the most part today. Might change throughout the session, but as of right now, we'll just wait. We'll see if we can get the closures above, and we'll go from there. Cool. That's that. That is that. Where is my chat here? So if you want to take a picture, visual, buys above 39.90, sells below 39.72 until further notice. Cool. That is that. That is that. What up, YOLO trader? We doing some YOLO moves today? Some YOLO moves. All right, so that's gold. Let's move over to ES. Is ES still in the highs? What do we do with FOMC? Oh, we did drop a little bit. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and drop down to the daily here. So it looks like we gapped down. So we did close bearish yesterday. 4 hours move in here, so we have a little range here on the 4 hour. Haven't really closed below just yet, but it looks like we're trying to break the lows here, right? So 1 hour also has a pretty strong support, right, sitting right here at what is that, 69.05. So 69.05 looks pretty good. You may get a fake out here coming back above. Probably gonna have to wait for range 2 buys, right? So if we can catch something like you get a little bit of a move up, come down, and then the retest, we take the buys on that. Yeah, don't want to take the buy here just because that 4 hours very bearish right now. We close below the range. I like the celery, more so than anything. So let's see if that 15 or even that 30 minute can close below, and then you got all that range right there to look to target as the 4 hours continuing to break through the lows and trying to move its way down along with the daily time frame. So that's pretty much as simple as it gets. Yeah, as simple as it gets for ES. Little break and retest, maybe even buys above. Yeah, maybe even buys above 08 there, just to be safe. So yeah, I would like to see some sort of like a range 2 buy. Yeah, range 2 buy. Other than that, we stay selling in this range right here, coming down into that zone, which is like 42 pips away. All right. Okay, cool. That's it, man. That's it. So now we wait. I don't like that GC and MGC have different candle closures. It's kind of annoying. But anyways, that's what we do. So it's the business that we're in, and we just got to deal with it. All right. What up, Simzy? Good to see you. What's up, Green? Good to see you, brother. Lights fire in the house. All right. The heavy hitters are here. They're here. We're going to do a little payout today with top beep, and cash out there. Cash out. I think I got like a $4,700 payout ready to go. Let me see. Oh, 4,800. Okay, how are you? Let's go. Yeah, so we'll do this in a little bit. Made about $9,700, and gonna be taking half of that, which is I guess $4,800 today. So we'll take it. Them kids need some shoes. You know what I mean? Them kids need some new shoes. What's up, Jay Coop on YouTube, eh? Okay. What's up? Let me do something over here. Yeah, so we're waiting on the closure. So we got We got what do we got? 19 minutes on this closure. 19 minutes. All right, let's do this. Boom, boom. How you guys doing, by the way? Did you guys take any trades at all since I've seen you last in what was that, New York session? Anything? Pre-New York? Yeah, I took a little pre-New York, a little riskier trade, but took it anyway. Yeah, this guy right here. So we didn't have much of a a lower wick, but I took the trade anyway. This I'm gonna use like this as a little bit of like an aggressive account. So yeah, it had a bottom wick, but pushed up, you know, filled the range, just basically closed out this wick right here. Quick trade. I wasn't really. It's kind of rushed in a way. I was just kind of open up my computer and my charts, and I seen it, and I'm like, you know, bottom wick's all right. So we went and did it. Yeah, it wasn't much. I mean, it was still much, right? Like it was like this move right here is like 38 pips. So it was probably like I think it was like a 17 or 20 pip stop. We haven't found those in a minute. Do I have a funding company? I do not. How do your students pass so much? I think they just follow the profitable system. You know, over the years I've come up, you know, I've learned from some other traders. I've built a foundation system-wise and finally found something that works consistently, and that's what we're teaching. So they just follow the system and, you know, work the kinks out and eventually start getting the hang of it. And it's really not that hard to make money in trading. It's really not. It's really not. You know, you just got to stop doing dumb stuff. That's all. You know, stop the dumb. Like Rafi always says, you know, don't do anything stupid, right? He doesn't mean like, hey, don't go out and party after 1 o'clock in the morning anymore, guys. Like he's talking about stop like deviating from the playbook, right? And deviating from the winning system. So that's really all you got to do. You know, a lot of people think they got to learn more. Hey, what else do I got to do, Nick? What else do I got to learn? What else should I know? What else should I read? That's most likely not what's going to do it for you. It's what should you stop doing, right? Instead of learning new concepts, why don't you just stop taking buys with candles that have no top wicks, or candles that don't close in the outside of the range, or, you know, wait for the range twos when you're going against a higher time frame bias instead of just taking anything, right? So, you know, it's a lot of times it's things that you need to stop doing, not necessarily things that you need to start doing. Range 1, range 2? Yeah, it's simple. Let's say you got a 4-hour let's say you got a bullish 4-hour candle here, right? So you got a bullish 4-hour candle, and right, and it looks like this, and the next candle looks like this, and we're probably anticipating that the next 4-hour candle, which is this one, is going to move up, right? So what happens is traders they come down to the lower time frame, they find a range, right? So they mark that range off, just like I used to do, and they go, okay, buys above here and sells below there. And, you know, as the candle starts moving down and closes below here, what happens is a lot of times traders will step into that trade, right? Because they see it as a simple breakout, right? I mean, that's what we teach, right? There's the breakout. The issue is you're going against the higher time frame move, right? So a lot of times what's going to happen is this 4-hour candle that I have that arrow pointed at is going to come down. Oh, my bad. It's going to come down, right? It's going to make its lower wick, right? And as it makes its lower wick, what's going to happen is it's going to get a closure on like a 30-minute or even a 15-minute time frame. So one of these candles close and they go, oh, perfect. There's a breakout, right? So we would take this sell right here, right? Normal breakout sell, but we would realize we continued to get faked out on it, right? So every time that fake out would happen, I would ask people, you know, hey, how do you avoid fake outs, and how do you avoid fake outs? And they would all say, well, we don't know. You know, there's no way to do it. You can't avoid fake outs. And I agree with that until a certain extent, right? Because if you study the data, which I did, I noticed that every time we got caught up in that fake out, what we were doing is we were taking a buy right there on the 4-hour candle. Meanwhile, that 4-hour candle was ready to go up, right? So we were taking a sell trying to go against where the 4-hour candle was trying to go. So you see how like right there as that candle makes a lower wick, that's where the fake out happens. So with that being said, we wait for range 2 sells in this case, right? If the 4 hour is bullish, we don't want to take the sell, right, too early because we don't want to get caught up in this fake out. So what we will do is we'll just wait for a break and retest of that zone down there, and then we'll go ahead and jump into sells, right? And that'll be the 4 hour candle, you know, breaking its low, fluctuating a little bit, re-breaking its low, and that should be enough to push it down in that clean range. So the first breakout is usually a false breakout, and it usually will kind of fake out and go back up. So just keep an eye on what your higher time frame direction is, and you know, you'll avoid not all fake outs, but you'll avoid a lot more of them than you're avoiding now. Stay out of trouble. Stay out of trouble. Stay out of trouble. Let's see. The pre-New York candle closed below the range. I didn't take it. It was risky trade. Which one? Which one? The pre-New York candle. Which one? What time? What time frame? What time? I'll take a look at it. Oh, you talking about this one here? Yeah, this little range here. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Honestly, I was being a little risky there. What time does volume kick in? So usually like 8 a.m. I personally love to trade the 9 a.m. candle versus the 8 a.m. candle. You see, usually the 8 a.m. does a lot of funky stuff like this, but the 9 to 9:15, 9:30, you know, 9:45, I like that candle a lot more. I don't know, just have much better success with it. So yeah, 9:30 is the play. 9:30 is typically the play. How much do I have in XFAs? I think like 200,000, 200 or 300,000. Just got a 25K account and starting with you here. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go. Hey, you bring your accounts, you bring your work ethic and your vision, and we will help you get it. You know, once you bring your vision and your willingness to work, the words are going to start making more sense to you, right? You're going to start hearing things that I've been saying all along, yet you haven't heard yet, right? Because that true focus, that true vision, right, along with the commitment hasn't been there maybe at the highest level. But once you bring that, oh baby, oh baby. Am I on a live account yet with Top Step? Nah. You know how I be doing. Now I gotta duck and lay low on Top Step for a little bit. I'm gone. What happened to my Tradeovate wire? It actually, they sent it back to my bank. Yeah, they sent it back yesterday, so I'm gonna have to resend it. They just needed some information about my business, so you couldn't have told me that the day I sent it, making me wait a week. What's up with y'all? What's up with y'all? Can we take your trades in XAU USD? Yeah, of course. Gold is gold, man. Gold is gold. So as long as the price action isn't like completely weird, then yeah, most of the time we're good to go. All right, let's see. Johnny Gems is in the house. Rafi's here. Okay, the squad's here. I didn't. Hey boys, how are ya? Hey, how are ya? No, just kidding. Chat, can you guys I know that's corny. Can you guys let me say that every now and then without quaking? I don't know. I think it's funny. I might be the only guy that thinks that's funny, but let's give Johnny Gems a big hey, how are ya? Oh, Rafi, a big hey, how are ya?
Yo, what's poppin', bro?
What's going on, my brothers?
You guys are like, Nick, stop, please, just stop.
Yo, we're feeling amazing.
Great to see you boys.
Man, it's been a while, man.
It's been a minute. It's been a couple hours.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, about 12 hours.
It's about 12, yeah, about 12 hours.
Word, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
How we doing here? Winners. We got a bunch of winners here in the Zoom. How we doing? YouTube winners as well.
Yo, what's poppin', chat?
Let's go. I love how chat finds it. They find a way to abbreviate. They find a way. Hey, how are you? I like it. Hey, how are you? Let's go.
Hey, how are you?
Let's go.
Dad, how are you?
Oh, man, that's funny.
What's good,
Yo, who's ready to
boys?
follow the plan today with discipline?
I am.
Same, bro.
Let's
Let's
get
get
this
ready.
guy. Let's get the boys up here. Let's spotlight them. Put them on blast.
Yes, sir, bro. I'm feeling good, boys. Good to see y'all.
Great to see
Have
you.
a blessed day.
Hell yeah. Let's
We
do
got a
it.
good pre-New York, man. We just didn't do anything stupid.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
exactly,
good.
bro.
No need to do
I was
anything
listening
stupid.
to your words of wisdom, bro. You know, don't do anything stupid here.
Nobody moves. Nobody gets clipped.
300 people
Nobody
watching. Don't do anything stupid.
Yeah.
Hey, no pressure. There's only 300 people watching you right now.
Right. Yeah, no, amazing, bro. It waited all the way till NY Open though to get cooking. You know, I don't know why I had to do that, but
I know.
all goody.
All goody. 8 minutes for a closure. Maybe we step in here at 9 a.m.
Yeah, you took those buys, Nick?
Yeah, I took them.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, they were a little risky. I think I'm gonna really like set this up for like a risk account, like a little bit heavier risk account, one of them, and do that.
Bro, I wait for a little bit of a steeper lower wick, so
Yeah, I don't blame you. And look, we got it too. So
Exactly. I'm like break the low. All right, we're gone.
yeah, it's all good.
One
It's
more
all
break
good.
of the low, I would have been in that.
Do you
Yeah, I
have
took it, but I took it having the placement on the bottom of the 30-minute, the very bottom wick.
This one?
And yeah, I took it over there, put the stop loss right there. And I was just, because, you know, it was New York Open, I was like, I'm just going to let it run to the very top. And then when I saw that rejection of the 15, I closed everything.
Nice. Yeah, I was hoping maybe we can get a
Smart.
clean runner up in that range, but it kept rejecting
Yeah.
that area. So
That's what I was thinking too.
It did tap that advantage point on the 15-minute that we were looking to snag some profits in, and then literally rejected from that point.
yeah,
And especially without that closure above, you gotta be like quick and aggressive with the partials
yeah, with the
at
no
that
wick
advantage
too.
point also, because no closure above there either.
True. You got to be sniper like, sniper like.
Yeah, maybe if I would have used previous candle stops, like Rafi was saying, I probably would have been okay with that lower wick, but
Yeah, it
Still
was a
ugly.
big one, bro.
it was a big stop loss too. So
Very
it's all
big.
good.
It was like 140 or something like that.
Yeah,
Yeet.
I was cool with staying out. More opportunities to come. So
Yep. Love it. Disciplined trader. The disciplined trader. The disciplined trader. The disciplined trader.
the major thing here is the read on price, right? Like that read on price. If you can develop the habit of reading price like a pro, I mean, you'll be able to catch all the pips you want, over time. So
True.
that's the big thing there.
No,
Any
and the
Asian-
beautiful thing is also, when you play, you plan the trade and then you trade the plan. Also, you gotta have a plan on where you're gonna get out, because it seems like sometimes you do all this work to plan the process, the entry, but then once you're in,
Now
it's
what?
like, okay, so should I get out here? Should I just let it run? Like, you also have to have a plan, and if you don't see it, just cold, boom, close it. It is what it is,
Yep, facts, bro. Yeah, man, the amateur trader would literally just think about the outcome of the trade, but the pros are thinking about, all right, where's my stop loss? Where's my TP? I gotta manage this trade, right? So, yeah, bro, facts.
The boys are cooking. They're cooking.
Exactly. Plan the trade the plan. Not only the setup and entry, but also
Literally everything.
management. Your exit on the trade as well. I feel like there's 3 keys to a successful trade, and that's the entry, the exit, and the direction. If you could be money with your entry, money with your exit, and money with direction, you got a fire trade on your hands there.
Yes, sir. That's right. No trades in Asia. Nope, no trades in Asian last night. Incredible stream though. Like we streamed Asian last night, and it was just a great time. A lot of I like Asian because the markets are a little slower, and we could really chop it up a bit, answer some questions, talk a little mindset, mentality, and whatnot. And it was, Asian last night was a great session.
It
I think
always
we
has
made
been.
I think we made more profits than we would have if we took a trade. How dare me take that trade? I know, right? Risky.
Remember, not taking a trade in itself is a W, and in a way, you are putting money in your pocket by not taking a trade, because guess what? You could have lost money that day, right? If there was a no trade day, then that's probably the market saying, yo, there's no good trades here for your system. So like any trades you would have taken could have probably been a loss or an unnecessary loss, you know, with the markets having an edge on you. Excuse me. So those no trade days are really you putting money in your pocket, or I should say money, you're keeping the money in your pocket,
Yeah.
which will over time allow you to be making that money on those days.
True. Sometimes we get paid off the trades we don't take, the trades we stay out of. Asian was refreshing, man. Yeah, it was. Yeah, needed that convo last night. Yeah, great convo. You know, sometimes you just gotta huddle up. You know, sometimes you just gotta huddle up and spit the facts. Yeah, it was.
Asian is fire, man. I'm gonna tell you. And we got C Melly last night, so it made it even better.
Yep.
Facts, bro.
Yeah, man. Afterwards, after the call, I jumped on with not Mr. V, but someone very, very close to him who has also mentored me. I kind of when I say Mr. V, I kind of sometimes batch that between two people. You know, two of my greatest mentors. These guys were like best friends. They both grew up in the Bronx. But I was talking to, we'll call him Mr. Russo, and I was talking to him last night, and you know, I was just telling him about what's happening here, you know, and I let him know. I had to thank him and just let him know, look, I mean, you know, the chain never ends. The impact chain never ends. The things that they've instilled in me and have taught me, I've been teaching that to the world, you know, and I actually was able to get him to potentially come in and speak. So we may do something in the clubhouse where we could have Mr. Russo come in and just share some of his heart. And this guy is a extremely successful individual. Grew up in the Bronx, poor, no money, right, at all. I think his mom raised like 5 or 6 kids in a 2-bedroom apartment in the Bronx growing up, and just dirt poor, you know, living off government food and whatnot, and ended up getting really big into powerlifting, became a 2-time national powerlifting champion. I think he benched like 5'11", all natural, and just some crazy stuff. And then he went on to do extremely well in business, like sought after speaker all over the world, has impacted thousands and thousands of lives in multiple countries and whatnot. So this guy's another major success and a huge mentor. He played a huge role and still does in my life. So I may be able to get him to come in and share his heart for maybe like 45 minutes to an hour on one of these next sessions. Yeah, man, you guys will love to hear from him. I promise you. Such a great guy. So maybe in November. Yeah, maybe in November we do like either a webinar or we just shut things down for Asian session. I think his schedule is probably going to be best in the evening, and we just open our hearts and let him pour in.
Let's run it, bro.
Powerful, bro.
Yeah, Magnus, you got to be there for that
Very
one.
powerful.
Yeah, this will be incredible, man. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. We're definitely going to make it happen. So sometime in November, we make that happen. Do I come live for Asian session? I do in the clubhouse. So we have another streaming network inside the clubhouse that you guys are more than welcome to join. And we go live in there every day. Give signal now. I need signal. Oh, take it. Flip a coin, brother. Ask AI. Yeah. I mean, you should ask AI versus a random guy. You don't even know if I'm good at trading. Yeah, you don't even know if I'm good. I might suck at trading.
Bro said I need a signal.
Because if you're asking for a signal, it's probably like, you know, maybe not the first time here, because I think I've seen your name before. Say Trump. Maybe you're just messing with me.
We do a little trolling.
Oh, love from Afghanistan. Yes. Love you, bro. Love you. Finally learn to be patient. Avoid taking any trades that don't line. That's perfect, man. Hey, by the way, Chatty, that's all you got to do. So you actually don't have to do anything much. It doesn't get much deeper than that. It really doesn't, you know. Nick, why do you think that I'm not profitable? I've really been analyzed. You're not following the playbook. That's it. There's no deep psychological philosophical reason why you're not profitable. You're just not following a profitable plan long enough to string together profitability. I mean, that's it, gang. That's it. It doesn't get any deeper than that. I promise you. There's no woo wah hoo wah sa the answer that you need here, right? It's just don't be an idiot, right? Follow the profitable trading plan. That's it. Yeah. That's legit all you gotta do. We can spin that and we can say that in so many different ways, right? I can scream that until we're blue in the face. But that's it. I mean, that's it, gang. It doesn't get much deeper than that. So try and simplify this thing at a first grade level, right? So that way you don't have to complicate it anymore. No need to make trading complicated. Remember, one of the best questions ever on the live stream, right, John? Hey, Nick, what's the hardest part about trading? I thought about it for a brief moment and I said, the hardest part about trading is finally realizing that trading's not that hard at all. It's not that hard after all. It really isn't. Once you begin to understand probabilities, the nature of the business, the wins, the losses are a part of it, you follow the system, you let probabilities play out, you win. Right? It's not always pretty, it's not always fun, sometimes it's boring, but it makes money. So if you want to make money, that's what you got to do. If you want to take trades, I mean, that's another thing. If you just want to come here and have fun, and because some people do enjoy that, right? I do know people who just, they like participating, right? But a lot of times those guys don't make too much money. You know, they enjoy the sport of the game, but they don't win too many championships, right? So we're trying to win championships out here for our life and our family, and we're going to stick to the plan.
That's a fact, bro. Well said.
Will the webinar be recorded? Oh yeah, that's definitely going in the Clubhouse webinar recordings, no doubt about it. It would be a sin not to do that.
Yeah, right. Be posted in Clubhouse webinars.
Yep. What a blessing. Yeah, what a blessing it'll be have him come in. I'm probably gonna give him a couple dates. I'll figure it out later. We'll give him like 3 or 4 dates in November, and then whatever works best for him, we run it. Is it okay to make my first payout ever and then blow it? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Now, did you blow it based off of like just stupid trades? Because, you know, it's really never good to blow an account on stupid trades, or even just lose a trade off of a trade outside of your system. So if it was all like due to trades outside of the system, then probably not good, you know. But if you took a couple losses that were good playbook positions and you just didn't have enough buffer to handle it, I mean, you know, it's fine. It happens to me too.
Fine. Yeah, if you don't have much of a buffer, like, you want to blow your account on a good trade still. Like, if you don't have much in your buffer, like, at least blow your account on a good trade.
Yeah, like after I take this
payout, bad
payout,
trade, it's like, could have avoided that.
Yeah. So after I take this payout, I'll just go stupid on this account. You know, I'll go crazy. I'll risk a little higher than normal. Now that I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'll take a payout here today. Maybe I won't trade it tomorrow, but next time I do start trading it, you know, I'm going big. All right, I'm going big. I'm not playing this account here. I've already grabbed thousands of dollars off of it. I'll take almost $5 grand. So I'll take $4,800 today from this account. So I spent $250 to have that account, and I'm gonna bring back. So my $250 mixed with my skill set went out. Took a couple days, not too long either, right? So I sent $250 out on the 20th, and then I used my skill set from the 20th. Passed the account by the 22nd or whatever, 21st, locked in on the 22nd, and then I used this skill set over the course of the last week to bring in $9,000, right? So I basically spent $250. You got $100, right, for the account, plus $150 for the activation fee. So I'm in at $250, right? Now that I'm in at $250, that $250, right, over time, kind of went around, right? And then now, today, I'll make $4,800, right? So $4,800 minus $250 is 876. What? $46.50. $46.50.
Yup, $45.50.
My bad. $45.50. Boom. That's what you call ROI, my friends.
Wow.
So this is what we preach, right? We practice what we preach. We talk about it, we teach about it, and then we show you how it's done, right? So $250 here turns into $45.50 here. How you doing? Right? And then if you got that on multiple accounts, you do the math. It gets pretty crazy. So is it worth it to lock in?
Exactly.
Or are you still going to take dumb trades? Nobody knows nothing.
Yep.
Right? Or are you going to take one good trade and make like $4,000. One good trade, make $1,500. One or two good trades, make $2,700. Good trades. Great trades, I should say. Right? So again, I'm going to keep showing you this. Week after week after week after week, right? I think I've taken 6 payouts in the last 7 weeks. So it can be done, my friends. It can be done. Oh, wow. Okay, Goldie coming back up here now. So, yeah, 9:15, 9:30, looking good. Looking Gucci. Yeah, so keep in mind, we just posted. If you guys aren't following us on Instagram, go follow us on Instagram. You can follow my personal page, but also follow the TTE Profits page, right? Because we explain all that stuff in that page, really talk about our system, how we're able to get payouts fairly quickly, how we're able to pass our combines or evals fairly quickly, right? And get the ball rolling here. We want to get straight to the money. We don't want to waste time, right? But we want to get to the money the proper way, the professional way, the 8-figure trader way, so that way we can actually keep the money and cash it out. Does that make sense? Yeah, and then after this payout, we just go ham, right? We go hard because now we're up 20, whatever it was, 25.50, and now it's all profit. So now I'll have a $4,800 buffer on this account, and I'll be popping like basically 5 to 8 lots per trade. You know, good A+ trades that come in. So terrible math, yeah, I know. Yeah. I'm not that good at math, but I sure am good at spotting good trades, getting partials, sniping exits, sniping entries. And I'll hire an accountant for that or something. You know, I'll hire someone that does math.
Yeah, bro.
Let's get it.
He's giving away the sauce for real, though.
You know, I could keep this all to myself. You know, keep it all here. But what fun would that be? I haven't had more than 5 payouts on Top Step. Otherwise, you'll be live. No, I have. I've had many payouts on top. 1, 2, 3. That's 5 alone right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've had many payouts. You just got to know how to dodge. You got to know how to dodge and weave, you know? I'll put y'all on with that stuff later. I can't give you all the sauce. Hey, Nick, how do you avoid getting put on a live account on top? Me no speak English, and I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, man.
It's like, figure it out.
I'll put you on with the secret one day. It's like I don't know who it was, Thomas Edison, no, Napoleon Hill, or no, what was the guy who owned the steel company? Dale Carnegie. Dale Carnegie was asked, hey, you know, what is this or what is that? And he's like, I don't know. And why would I know when I could just call a man who knows, right? I don't need to fill my mind with that information, because that information just doesn't make me money, right? It doesn't push my life forward. So, you know, for me, maybe it's math. I mean, I'm all right at math. I just messed that one up. Give me a break. Hey, but if I don't know,
honestly
if I
some
don't
tough
know,
math.
oh yeah, Henry Ford. Henry Ford. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. Right? Why store that in your mind when you can just call someone and ask them the answer? Yeah? Want to phone a friend here today? Henry Ford. Henry Ford.
Henry Ford's a G.
How much do you manage your size with trades to get that big? I think that was yeah, I'm just I mean, I'm some of these trades, look at this. Some of these trades were 10 contracts. So I'm not afraid to you know, size up. Look at these 10 contracts, 5 contracts, you know. You can't be scared out here. If you're following the system, you got to trust it. You got to trust it. So I'm not afraid to go big. I'm not afraid. So when the right opportunities come up, I step up to the plate and I give a good swing at it. Yeah, the thing is, the top step doesn't have a consistency rule, right? So that's the best part about it, is that when you're on a live, or not a live, but on an XFA, you know, if you're on some of these instant funded accounts, it's great, but you have that consistency rule. So with top step, there is no consistency rule, right, on the live account. Therefore, I was able to pretty much make bigger gains, right? Specifically on the 23rd, which was like almost $4,500, right? So that's almost half my balance. So it all came on one trade, and that trade just lined up perfect. It's lined up perfect. Pros making loads. Who cares about math? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Would you rather be good at math or make tons of money? I think I'd rather make tons of money. You know,
Henry
I got
Ford.
the calculator to do math for me.
Yeah, give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
I'm kidding.
Funny. Does Top Step have a 10-second trade rule? I don't think so. I don't think so. 10-second trade rule, that's crazy.
The teacher be like, "Yo, children, what do you think? You're gonna have a calculator everywhere you go?" And then I'm like, yeah, actually, I do.
What?
Yeah. Shut up, Mr. Sullivan. Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I literally only use my calculator. I don't even use my head.
I don't use my brain for anything outside of spotting great trading
I'm
setups.
trying to think what I still use that the school system taught me, and I'm just like,
Multiplication, baby. That's what I be
just
using.
like can't think of anything.
I appreciate them for teaching me adding, subtracting, and multiplying, because that's all I do.
Right? I guess maybe spelling. I don't know.
Spell? A spell? It's a spell. You know, when you're spelling, you're making a spell, right? Ain't that? Would you suggest a
Help me out,
25K instant funded account? Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, for 25K, especially if you're in the learning phase, like the cheaper, the better. So you don't have to spend that much money, right, in the beginning. So yeah, if you're in the learning phase, I would go with the smallest account, and then really just try and follow along. And you know, over a couple days, couple weeks, you'll start to really pick things up. And then you know, once you string together some profitability and it's pretty consistent, then I would say, you know, go for some of the bigger accounts like a 50 or 100, 150K. Do you like to wait for good setups and then go big in size, take partials when you... Yeah, same exact thing you always see me do, right? The only on these accounts I have to limit myself with that consistency rule. So that's why I usually hold a little longer, go a little bit bigger on my other accounts so I could actually make more money. Over here I know, like on these accounts I'm going to be capped, right, at... Yeah, we'll trade this account today, so I'll be capped, right, at really $900 a day, since I broke the $600 rule. So, yeah. Oh, just passed my top. Oh, let's go. Took 6 tries, but finally passed. Let's get it, Michael. Great job, man. Great job.
Oh, Congrats, Michael.
Congrats, brother.
Stuff.
Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got here. We're creeping. It's 9:15, so we just had a 15-minute closure. We closed kind of below. I really want to see this 30-minute close right above this zone here. If we can close above right here, then we got all this clean range to move up, and that's where I want to take my buys.
I agree, bro.
Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Yesterday we
for 9:30.
Yesterday's trade, man, it took forever, right? Took forever, and then the very next candle just absolutely melted. I think I was on the 30-minute time frame, right? Or was it 15?
Yeah.
Let me go to the 30.
They just
or
melted
15.
off.
Where
It's all
was
in
it?
the stalling price. I don't know what.
Was it this one? No.
Like 10:30. Yeah, I was like watching that trade for like an hour and a half. It was wild. Usually my trades are quick, like last like 5 to 10 minutes. That was like an hour and a half.
Yeah, here it is. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, so we got in on the break of that low, right? Or really the break of this low, I think it was. And then this trade just literally did not. No, I think it was the break of the first low, right? Because we closed partials. I think we got like, I forget what we got there. But yeah, that was the candle that we were in on, right? And then we did close down here in profits. But as you can see, the next candle just straight up melted, right? So I was really looking for that move, obviously, on this candle. But, you know, timing was just a little bit off. So that's okay. 11 a.m. candle, 11:30 made the move. That's all good. We still made money. We still made money yesterday.
Yes, sir.
About $1,000 yesterday. So we'll take that. It's a small
That's all that
day.
matters, bro.
It's a small day, but we'll take it.
Snag those pips.
Top one's a little better. I agree. Especially like with all the confusion going on. And, you know, the thing about Top Step is you get into some trouble there, I can't even help you, right? Where at least with Top One, I got a little bit of pull and I can talk to, you know, see if I can make things happen. But, you know, the other companies, you're pretty much out there on your own, which is fine. You know, it's rare that they screw you over, but they do. You know, they do screw you over from time to time, and they'll give you no response, right? Whoever got you know, talks to like Top Step or one of these companies and they're like, yeah, that's it. You know what I mean? There's nothing we could do. And then what do? You're like, that sucks, right? And then you just got to go deal with it. So, you know, the issue with some of these other companies is they'll do that stuff and we've got no wiggle room with them. We've got no pull or anything. So, you know, that's why I always recommend Top One, because if something happens with them, you know, that's the only place where I could probably help you. Plus, they got the best deal on like instant funded accounts in the game.
They really do, man. They got the best deals for the instant fund.
Plus, the
accounts,
guys
for
are
sure.
super cool over there too. Clay and Matt and all them.
Yep. And they pay out.
And they pay out quick. I think somebody got their payout in like a couple minutes. Yeah, I seen that in the Discord. It took like 4 minutes and the payout was done. That's amazing. I'm just about ready to pull some profits here. I got I think another like $400. So once I get another, I think 400 or 500, I'm good to go. We'll take that payout. I could have took the payout at 3,000, but I went over the consistency rule here on this day here and on this day. So I have to match it up with 900 now.
Back Wednesdays.
Yeah, back to back. So yeah, 1 or 2 more days and we should be good to take a pretty big payout. Probably like $2,200 on 5 accounts. So a little over 10,000. We're like 2 days away from that. Yeah, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, probably about 10,000. So we'll take that at some point, probably next week. Right, tomorrow's Friday, so we'll see if we can get something done today and tomorrow, and maybe we can shoot to take that payout next week. But we will take a payout today. Let's just wait here. We got 9 minutes. We're gonna take this payout here in a few minutes. Let's just wait on the closure and all that. $120 pips yesterday. Okay. Consistency rule. Do we need to make the same amount each time? No. So if you have a 50K, right, then you have to respect the 20% consistency rule, right? So if the profit target on a 50K is $3,000, then on any given day your highest profit can only be 20% of that 3 grand, and that equals 600, right, for a 50K. So if you're if you're trading a 50K, just try and stick with like $600 max per day. Otherwise, you got to make a whole bunch more money, and you can still take the same payout. So
when you see 600 in profit, just close it and lock out. Come back tomorrow.
That's it. 580, take it.
Yeah, 580. Whatever.
And then if you do have that 50K, your only focus, the only number you should be thinking about is $3,000. That's it. Don't rush it. Get yourself there naturally, and when you do, ching, you can take that payout. All right. It'll take you 5 days, minimum of 5 days, just because you got to respect that $600 per day. But once that's done, it's done. How many times can you use the TT promo code? As many. It's unlimited. Yeah, it's unlimited. So the code TTE on the top 1 futures will get you the biggest discount that they offer. So it's unlimited. How about reading? Yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of giveaways. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the duck race. Yeah, the duck race. I told top 1 we're gonna do the giveaways today, so they'll be ready to set up all the accounts. But if you guys aren't in the clubhouse yet, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. We're gonna give away 10 50K instant funded accounts. So you skip the whole like eval and combine and all that, and just get straight to the money. So we're gonna do it today. Basically have everyone's account ready to go for Monday morning, November. Is that November 1st? Monday?
No,
3rd.
I think
Yeah.
Saturday.
So you'll be good for you'll be perfectly fresh account for the beginning of November. So that's what we're gonna try and do, is help set you guys up for like just a brand new fresh account for the month of November.
Perfect end to the week here, literally.
Yeah.
Last day of the month is literally Friday.
Yeah, facts. That's true.
Or I should say, perfect way to end the month with the week.
True. Yeah, and I'll try and get more 50 like instant funded accounts for the clubhouse moving forward. I'll see if we can do that a little bit more. Now you gotta lose. Yeah, you gotta lose a little. How much can you take out of the 3K on top 1? You could take 2250. Yeah, 2250 in total. So if you have 5 accounts, How you doing? You have 5 accounts, and next thing you know, you could take me out to lunch.
You can request up to 2,500, but like after they take their 10%, because it's a 90-10 profit split, they're gonna keep 10%. Then it's 2250. So like when you do request it, request 2,500, and it will be 2250.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, it all depends what you want to do. Like, you want to build a bigger buffer? Do you want to just take the payout? Like whatever you want to do. If you want to build a bigger buffer, then just keep trading it more. But if you want that payout, take it. And most of us want the payout, so I recommend take the payout, and then you can always build the buffer again, once after you get the payout.
Yeah, that's true. How to enter the giveaway? All you gotta do is be in the clubhouse. So, yeah, we're gonna do the giveaway within the clubhouse. So as long as you're in the clubhouse and you're a member of the clubhouse, then you will enter into the giveaway. First payout coming up. Let's go, Chatty. Oh, lunch on you. Hey. I was expecting more people to say that to me, Hey, Nick, I just got my payout, brother. Lunch on you. Hey, Nick, just took a $15,000 payout. Lunch on me, brother. Lunch on me. I haven't got much of that yet, but, I'll be waiting.
Couple times.
Exit strat. Exit strat.
Yeah, word exit strat. I can go for a nice steak, too, right now. Awesome.
How to enter the clubhouse? Just hit like ! clubhouse in the group chat or in the live chat, or you could just go over to our website, timedeattrading.com, and you could join there. Yeah, and then when you do get in the clubhouse, I have a new video coming, gonna probably drop it today for all new clubhouse members. It's basically just a welcome video saying hi, how are you, and just kind of guiding you and kind of walking you through the clubhouse, you know, so that way you get familiar with it, you know where everything's at, and yeah, you can easily maneuver through it. But you know, you do get courses and all that when you do jump into the clubhouse, so keep that in mind. Just go over to like members access, and then you'll have access to the full trading course, all the do's and don'ts in terms of like the setups. You have 100+ hours of webinar content here, and then weekly trade recaps that we do. This is a good this one's simple, but if you actually go through this, you can learn a lot. Like breakout, like when is a good time to take it off the break of the previous high versus the current high, best stop losses to use, you know, no wick breakouts, things like that, like do's and don'ts pretty much. Overextended, like what a good overextended breakout looks like, or what a bad one looks like, what a good one looks like. So I don't want to spill too much, but you know, good inverted celery, bad inverted celery. So yeah, go through the course and, you know, wrap your head around it. There's a lot of information in here, and it'll take some time, but you know, I'd start with you know, going through that course, and then really just every time you can you know, get a webinar in, look to get a webinar in. They're long too, so kind of pick like something that you really want to work on, and then there should be like 2 hours of content on that topic here in the webinar section. So yeah, go through it, take your time. A lot of information. Yeah. If you need help, you know, just ask for some help in the chat and just introduce yourself, get familiar with the chat and all that, and welcome to the family. Welcome.
You really got everything you need in the clubhouse, literally, like the live streamings, a positive community or environment, the courses, the webinars, the visuals. You got everything you need. You just gotta make the leap, bro. Get in the clubhouse. Let's go. Take it to the next level here.
Yeah, we might do the giveaway like this. So what we might do is we might just kind of pick like 20 people off of the data sheet, right? Off of the back end of the clubhouse data. We basically do the giveaway with everyone in it, and then we pick like the top 20 or 25, right? And those top 20, 25 become little ducklings, and then they get to race, and then the first 10 who win the race win the accounts. I think we're gonna do it that way. Yeah, I think we're gonna do it this way.
Can you earn that, or is it like random?
It's gonna be random, so we'll randomly pick from like the clubhouse members, and then we'll throw like the 20 to 25. I don't know how much we can do here, and then top 10 duckies win.
Let's get it.
Quack quack.
Duckies.
Yeah, so it should be good.
Don't quake.
Don't quake. Quack quack. No need to quake when you can quack, you know?
Exactly.
Would you aim for 3,000
yeah,
payout or a
better
bit
than
more?
spam in the chat, yeah.
Yeah. I don't want to do it in a chaotic fashion like we always do. That just gets crazy.
Hectic. Things get hectic.
Things get hectic real
sometimes.
quick when we start spamming the chat.
Yeah, bro.
Like
On my side, it freezes and you can't even do anything.
It literally,
It's
if
like
it is
My side
like
too, bro.
nothing.
glitches my entire internet.
Sometimes they'll even kick you out, bro, honestly.
Rich.
Yo, bro,
What
where
the
one,
duck?
one time my Zoom literally like shut off because the chat was going crazy.
Let me see here for a 50K.
Chat made my chat shut off. Crazy, bro.
Hey, actually,
Chat
hold on
runs
one
things.
sec. I was gonna answer some questions, but we got 9:30 here, right? So 9:30 is upon us. We really don't have much, right? We're still trading within this range here. There's zero direction, right? 4 hours respecting the lows here. I think we can potentially move up, right? Might be interested in the buys, right? If we can kind of make a top wick, come down, make a steep wick, then we do have the wick fill in front of us here, right? 4 hour candle is bullish. It's been respecting the previous candle lows and whatnot, but we need a little flip on this candle first and then a break of the high. It's like a double tap, you know what I mean? Where it comes up, breaks the high, comes back down, and then re-breaks it again. That's when I'll be interested. Other than that, I'll wait for closures above 89 here. So if we can create a wick, go back down, then we'll have the buy stops. If we want to run up, then we're going to have to wait for closures above here. Bump, bump, bum. 1 hour looks good to move up though. 4 hour looks good to keep moving up. And if we have to, we can wait. Uh, 9:30. Yep, market open here. Exactly. But we're still a little jammed up here, right? So we really want to maybe make that high, come back, see if we can play around a little bit, re-break the high, and then I'd be interested. Although other than that, I don't mind waiting for the closure above this area here. It's going to be the cleanest above there. Let's see, what are stops? 64.
Yeah, would have been nice to have a high on that candle. All good.
Yeah, I don't like taking it on the flip. It just doesn't work out too often. So meaning like when a candle doesn't have any wick at the top, right? Usually we'll make one, come back down, and then the re-break of the high will typically be the best.
Yep.
Bump, bump, bump. Hey, yo.
But I like closures above anyways. Way
Yeah,
better.
same. Yeah, 15 closure above looks pretty good. Let's see. Did I take any trades today? Just a little trade for NY Open. That was it. Yeah.
Yeah, the NY Open trade happened quick too, so that was another reason I wanted to see like a lower wick, because I didn't want to just like jump right in right off the bat of the open within the first like 3 minutes. But yeah, it happened all quick.
Yep. Let's go. Let's see here. W 2250. There it is from Top One Futures. So you know everyone running the game plan here. That's why you see a lot of like 2250 payouts, is because we're following that very simple system, focusing on that 3K, taking that 2250, and moving along.
Great
Yeah,
job.
congratulations. Who was that? Elvin? Good job, man. Big drip,
job,
baby.
Elvin.
Big drip.
Facts, bro.
All right, let me just I'm actually going to just request this payout real quick. So I'm going to request a payout for 48.58 here. We're going to do a Wise we're going to do a wire here. So wire ACH. Let's put the bank info in.
Yeah,
Once
maybe,
again. My goodness.
Yeah, nice, Gino. Yeah, congrats to everyone who caught the trade we called out in pre-New York. Beautiful job. Well done, everyone. Little bank info for the boys, facts, right?
Little bank info for the boys.
Give us the last four of your social security too, Nick.
Which account, bro? Which account? Which account? Okay, routing number.
Yeah.
297-408. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm confusing myself here.
Yeah, Austin, that's fine, man. I stayed out too because of the bottleneck, so that's all good.
Okay, cool. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah, we're good. Boom, boom, boom. Bada bing. All right. What was the payout? Do you remember the number? 28. I'll just do 2,800. 2,000. No, I'm sorry. $4,800. Yeah. $4,800 we'll take. We got our 5 winning days. We got all this. We got that. And let's go ahead and submit. Yeah, payout. Bank wire. $4,800. Cool. I think we're good. Let's submit it. Payout submitted and payout pending. So perfect. I should get 4,300, I guess. 4,300, and that should be here in like a day or two. Two or 3 days, I'd say. So once again,
Yeah.
Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3 man. You know? They call me the milkman. Oh, snap. There goes the
What's up, milkman?
crash. Look at this move down now.
Yeah, right. Future Lord man almost tipped top step 2 racks there.
Oh, man, imagine.
Thank God he didn't.
Lunch on me now. Yeah, there you go. Lunch on me.
Yeah, Benji, right here. Here's the cat. Here's the
What's up,
baby.
Hey. Hey, Ted. How
Teddy.
are you? Hey, can we give
Hey,
Ted a
Ted,
big hey, how are you?
Benji has been asking for it.
Rafi's making me want a cat.
Just get it, bro.
I'm about it, bro. I think this New Year's I'll get one. Name it like
New
Gold
Year's?
or something. Yeah.
Name Golden.
Name it
Yeah.
Golden or something. Or Gold.
Golden, nice.
Or like Breakout or Onion. No.
Call him inverted.
Call him the inverted. Yeah. Hey, inverted.
The inverted cat.
Yeah.
Bro, I was telling Anna last night, I'm like, because we haven't really picked out a name yet, right? So Anna's going to be due in like less than 30 days, and we don't really have much of a name. I'm like, why don't we just name him like, I don't know, number 4, you know, why don't we let him pick his name later in life, you know, just name him number 4 for now on.
That's
And
what I'm
then when he
saying.
grows up and go, but hey, now that you understand life and the world that we live in, and you understand there's some nice names and some not, which name would you like, number 4? And then just give him, you know, oh, I would like this name. Oh, bam, well, that's your name now, buddy. So maybe we just call him number 4 until he's like 10. No?
Yeah,
No?
bro.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Huh? You guys like this guy, so what's going on over there?
What do you want to do?
Are they parenting over there, or what's going on?
I probably would change my name if I could, but
What would you change it to?
that's a great question. Maybe like Legend.
What a legend.
Was I worried about that resistance to the left at NY Open? I mean, like, yes and no. Like, without the steep lower wick, yes. Like, without that lower wick, I was concerned about that resistance. But if we did get a lower wick with NY Open volume coming in, no, not concerned at all, really.
Yeah.
So that was kind of the point for me getting a steep lower wick, not only for the trade, but for that resistance there to the left, too.
Yeah. Do I keep a balance? Yeah. So now after that $4,800 payout, I'll have $4,800 in a buffer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. So now this account here
Yeah.
will be left with like plenty of buffer, you know, to go in and do what I got to do. Okay,
Yeah,
here we go.
Merced, remember we talked about not taking that specific trade setup in pre-New York because the support was weak, right? Like the way the 15-minute candle created support was super weak. It wasn't like a strong support. It was more of like a doji candle in a way, small body. So yeah, we talked about avoiding that for that reason. So just the confirmation candle was weak there. That was really all.
Hey Magnus, how are ya? How are ya? I stayed up for London last night, and it was 1:30 in the morning. I'm like, let's go! And I forgot that we moved the time back. So, or their time moved back, so I forgot that it started at 2:30 in the morning. I was like,
If you would have known that, bro, would
Name
have went to
him.
sleep.
Order
So
filled.
did you stay up? You stayed up? For
Nah, I
for
went to,
till
yeah,
2:30?
no, I knocked. Went to bed.
Yo, what up, Magnus?
How you doing?
What's up, man? Is Magnus here? See him in the chat.
Yeah, he is. He's
Oh,
ready.
Yeah, I see him.
Patiently waiting.
Fighting. Facts.
He's patiently waiting. Oh,
What's up,
okay.
Magnus?
Let's bring him on up. The trio. The TT trio. Let's get him up. Let's get him up.
Speaking of trio, bro. We gonna get that trio tonight.
Oh, yes, we are. Yeah. Speaking of trio, today's Joey Stu's birthday, everyone. Go give him a big hey, how are ya? Big happy birthday.
Thanks,
Go
bro.
blow his Instagram up or something. Make him feel special
Happy
today.
birthday, Joey.
Let him know he's
Hey,
a fan.
then give him some, send him some crumble. How are ya? No, just kidding. Don't send him crumble. Don't send him no crumble.
Bro, so he showed up that one time in Asia and never showed up again?
Yeah, he was there last night.
Oh, he was?
He's there every
Okay.
night now. He's locked in. He knows
Yeah,
what's gonna
he's-
happen if he's not.
He's here right now.
Easy?
Joe, happy
Bro,
birthday,
he's
brother.
like undercover.
There he is,
Happy
iPhone
birthday
2,
to
man.
Stu.
Change that name, bro. Change that name. iPhone 2. We need the Joe Stew
Let's go.
effect going on
Happy
here.
birthday,
Come on,
brother.
man.
You
there
don't
he
just come in this
is.
chat as a stew and and no one knows about it.
Big happy birthday. Let's freaking go.
Happy birthday, champ.
Magnus, how are
Let's go,
you?
iPhone soup.
iPhone 2.
What's up, Nick?
Let's go.
What's
What's
up,
up,
Rafi?
Magnus?
And what's up, Legend?
Legend.
Stu.
Feeling good.
Let's get
Feeling Gucci.
Yes, sir.
Let me get you guys on the big screen here.
You're doing good.
There we
Feeling
go.
good, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Nice, bro.
Always.
Great
How
to
about
see
you?
bro. Yes, sir. Amazing.
Hey, brother, now that you're here, I'm doing fantastic. I was doing great, but now I'm just doing fantastically phenomenal.
Bro, same. I was
Probably.
fine before. I jumped
Yo.
on. Now I feel phenomenal all
For
of a
real,
sudden.
for real. Something just, something new. Yeah, something new.
Yeah.
Ah, Joey Stew, happy birthdays. Let's get it.
Rafi, is that your cat jumping onto the in the clubhouse there?
Rafi's cat's gonna
Where?
be bougie as heck.
He's
Yo,
doing
facts,
something over
bro.
here.
That's gonna be your
That
cat.
guy.
That's literally what I'm trying to do with my cat. Too.
For real, bro. Jumping onto the McLaren.
That's
I might,
a fire cat.
this
bro.
I might be
Low-key.
interested in.
I
This,
want
this
that
thing
one.
looks crazy. This thing look like it got some ancient secrets that it could tell me about or something.
Right? Honestly, might just get like a friggin' baby lion, bro, and just
It's got like
raise
a
that.
tiger. Screw it.
Get like a baby tiger. Hell yeah, bro. I think when I get the mansion, I'm getting a tiger.
Yeah, why
Pull a
not?
Mike Tyson.
Hell yeah, bro. Raise it from the jump, bro.
Now it's Johnny Tyson.
Johnny Tyson.
No, Legend Tyson. Okay, cool.
Funny.
Kingman's gonna need a big hey, how are ya? Say hey, how are you, Kingman?
Hey, how are you, King Man?
Hi, King Man.
Hey, man.
W.
Mr. King Man.
Those are my keys.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Say hi, everyone. Just checking in on the
I
office.
can show you not doing anything stupid.
Making sure we work in here.
Right?
Don't worry, boss. You see how he comes in at like 9:40 every day? You know I'm working at 9:40, big dog.
Making sure you're working.
He's like, you ain't missing that volume, are you? I'm like,
He's your like accountability partner, making sure you're doing the job.
hello. Say hi, hello.
Yeah, Kingman's a G, bro, for real.
They're looking at you in that camera up there. You see, you gotta wave to that one. Say hi, everyone. See him over there? Look. Look, I'll show you. See ya? Say hey, everyone.
Too cute, man.
Yeah, for real.
Love that kid.
NASDAQ. Oh. Say hi. Say bye. Say see you later.
Bye, Kingman.
Have fun.
Yeah, bro. Big happy birthday to Joey Stew. Let's go. Yeah, happy
Yes,
birthday
sir,
to
the
Big
man.
Shaq. Facts, bro. We're gonna have a good day today, Joe. Let's catch some birthday pips, though. I want some birthday pips for Joey.
Yeah, let's get these birthday pips.
Right?
I'm with that.
Hell yeah.
I got Joe's little
Yo.
something today.
Okay.
Nobody knows nothing. Nobody knows
You
nothing.
can't tell it here though.
Nobody knows nothing.
Ain't
Man
that-
sitting like iPhone 2.
iPhone 2, where are you? Get up here. Give me a big hey, how are you? Give a big hello.
Yo, bro. Nick, did you feel the weather outside today, bro?
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Dude,
Oh,
it's amazing.
Every day.
don't get TK started on that.
Uh-oh.
It was actually hoodie
TK.
weather this morning.
Yeah, it was nice. I was barefoot on the ground, getting some sun gazing in.
Dude.
Yeah, just sun gaze too. We got the sun here today.
Yeah, it was nice.
Nice, Magnus.
Bro, I haven't seen the sun in like a week.
Nice, bro. Finally, no chemtrails today, bro.
Finally.
Can let that sun shine.
Yeah, for real.
Let it
I
shine.
just stood there for like 10 minutes, just stared into the sun.
Nice, bro. Sun gazing.
Yeah, it was really good.
Dope.
Finally.
What you got going on here, Ryan? Hey.
Okay.
Hey. I'd be going down
Looking
that.
mad fun though.
Yeah, okay, Ryan. If I were you right now, I'd go down the slide, bro.
Yeah, I would too.
Yo, what's poppin'? Someone say where the cat's at?
I love that type of fur. Damn.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I like that
What
too.
kind of? Yo, Ben, what breed is that? How you doing, Joey Stu?
It,
What's the trading terminal
Bangle?
on Tradeovate? Oh, it's called GC. GC1.
GC1.
Yeah, GC1. Yep. Do. Okay, let's see if we get this closure. We got 13 minutes. Unfortunately, the 15 didn't close above, but doesn't look like we're going to participate in the 9:30 candle here, but that's okay. We'll see about 10 a.m.
next one fire too. So.
Yeah.
30 closures.
Yeah, right now it's actually only 58 degrees currently, 59.
Wow.
So it's wow, oh wow, the high is 71 today. Holy. That's going to be cold.
That's
Grab your
perfect,
hoodies.
actually.
Cold? What the?
Dude, it's
After this
gray
one.
out here and raining.
Wow, how do I switch this to Celsius, do you know?
Not too sure.
No,
Oh,
I
right
don't
there.
know.
If you go to the right, more to the right.
Oh, there, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, so right now
Oh.
the high of the today will
22.
only be 22 degrees Celsius.
22.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh wow, we got a beautiful week coming up. 21, 23, 26. That's perfect. That's perfect. So right now is going to be the best time to come to Florida, to live in Florida. At least like Tampa, Florida. Miami's probably just as hot as it was 2 months ago.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
You think like New Year's? Can you like go in t-shirt? Go like outside in t-shirt
Yeah.
and stuff?
Yeah.
I say both.
Yeah, how's
Crazy.
New Year's vibes out there?
Dude, same.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Literally.
I-
Nice, bro.
Shorts
It's gonna
and
be
t-shirt.
hot.
Literally.
Every time
we'll
I've
be out
had
to
like
wear t-shirts.
every time I had like New Year's, it's always been in like winter jackets and
Yeah.
something up from the mouth and just to
Yeah.
keep the cold out.
It's a little weird, going from like winters every year of your life to now living in Florida for the past couple of years, and you're always expecting that weather to break, and it just doesn't break. Like and when it
Wow.
does, it's nothing too crazy. So it is a little weird, little getting used to.
Yeah, during the day we'll be able to wear, I think, a nice t-shirt.
Yeah. Who's the big brother, Nick or Joe? Both of us. John's the young one. He's the young boy.
Yes, sir. I follow their lead.
Yeah, New Year's would be nice. Christmas Day would be nice. A little chilly probably for like maybe like a pants and like a long sleeve shirt. But
Yeah, like light jacket and jeans or something.
yeah, I mean last Christmas I was chilling, shorts and a t-shirt outside. So.
Wow, bro, I can't even imagine
Yeah,
shorts in a
it's
Christmas.
freaking weird.
Bro, it snows here. It's like -10.
It's weird. Yeah, no, I know. Trust me, growing up in New York, man, it's a little weird.
I feel like I've
22,
adjusted
yeah.
though by now
Yeah, me too.
from being a New Yorker.
The
to
summers are
Florida.
long. They're very long. I'm gonna maybe next year look to spend the summers somewhere else, somewhere a little cooler, where maybe like the highs are like 85 degrees and not like 105.
Yeah, I'm with that.
But for the next like 6-7 months, I'm gonna enjoy every day in Florida. It's about to be perfecto. Actually, I should say for the next like 2 months. What did I say? 6-7? That's crazy.
I mean, I say we're good till like April.
3 months, maybe 3 months.
We'll
3
be
or 4.
chilling.
Bro,
Like 4 or 5.
Oh, really?
Big game. That was me and Bali, bro, right there.
Which one? I want to spend the summer in maybe like Colorado or something moving forward.
Colorado.
Colorado's nice.
Let me see. Oh yeah, let me answer this question here too. So for the 50Ks, right? What do you prefer? Position, risk, brackets, and all that stuff. Yeah. So basically, so if you have a 50K, I think again, I'm gonna probably operate from a bit of more of like a higher risk type of trading, but this is probably what I would recommend is really go down to the MGC, and then look to do like 5, 10, and 15. I think this is a good place for the 50K, right? Sometimes when you're in at 2 contracts, you're a little too heavy on that 50K. You really are, you know, and 3 contracts, you're definitely heavy. So I would move to like MGC for now and start to trade 5, 10, and 15. That way, the highest you're ever going is still lower than 2 GC contracts, right? That'll just be like 15 will be like 1.5 GC contracts. And then you also have the ability to close partials, right? When you have it like this. And then what I would do is I would just set up some brackets, right? So from 0 to, let's say, I don't know, 1500, right? Maybe use 5 to 10, right? From 1500 to 2500, right? Maybe use 10 to 1.5, right? And then let's say you get to 3000, you could take the payout, you know. So there's no point in keep going, but like, you see what I mean? So you bracket. So let's say now you're like 1800 in profit, right? But then you go lower than 15 again, then go back to the original 5 to 10, right? So from 0 to 1500, you use 5 to 10 MGCs, right? From 1500 to 25, you use 10 to 15. But if you ever go back below 1500, which is, you know, it happens, then I would go right back to this bracket, right? To 5 to 10. So I would do it something like that. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I've been teaching some elite members to do it that way as well. It seems to be working pretty well. Same deal with the clubhouse and all that. So, yeah. Yeah, that's what I would say. Yeah, because sometimes 2 contracts on that 50K is a bit heavy. It is. Especially with the consistency rule. You can't even, like, take... You know, next thing you know, you're hitting your consistency rule, and your trade still has so much more room to go. So... I think one,
and
you know,
some of these ranges.
Yeah, like 1.5 is probably
like,
the highest.
Like we've been having 100 pip, even 200 pip ranges here.
Exactly,
right? So
especially with that.
Yeah, really.
Like almost 100 pips. Some stop loss have been almost 100 pips. So if you have a 2 dot, and that's your whole drawdown.
Yeah. What's this range right now? Like 200 too? More like 300 maybe.
Like
this one here? Yeah, this one is actually 300.
Wow.
Yeah, massive.
We got
Bro, this looking pretty good.
Yeah, we got to
you
close.
Can get like a wick here or something.
Yeah, we need to leave a nice little wick.
This thing's juicing. Does Goldie want to wait 6 minutes?
Yeah, last couple days have been a little tricky. There, we haven't taken a trade in Asian in like 2 or 3 days. We took trades in New York yesterday, but yeah, I think the price action's been just a little choppy over the last couple days. Little choppy.
Yeah.
Great advice. What I do with the 50Ks. Yeah. The bracket system works really well. I used to do that, you know, when I was maybe 2 years ago or something. I would do that as well. You got trust issues with MGC, man. It's tough.
Right.
Okay, 1 hour looks like it's going to create support here too. 4 hour is moving back up as well. So we're going to have 4 minutes. We might have this like 4 hour celery play coming in. We'll have a new 4 hour candle and yeah, we might look to continue moving bullish.
Yeah, looking good.
Can Goldie not fill the range though? That'd be nice.
Yeah.
Don't do it. Yeah, last day of the month, last couple days of the month here too. So, we did really, really good this month. So if the price action is choppy, that's fine, right? We keep our profits on the month. Looking good here. What a month. We came off a heater too of a month in September, right? September was such a good month for us. We really didn't lose much. We were patient. Went 4 days without a trade there, and yeah, came right off September and straight into October. Literally.
Yep.
August was good too. A couple more losses than usual in August, but still still profitable every week. Yeah. I think I had two.
Follow the system.
Yeah, I had 2 red weeks this year. They came back to back. So this was one of them, negative 600, and then in June, we also had negative 600. So those are my only red weeks. It took me all the way to June to run into a red week. Yeah, crazy. 6 months. What'll be the last trading day for you guys in December? I think like it's like a day or two before Christmas Day. Yeah.
Sounds good.
Come on, Goldie. Come on.
Bro.
My goodness.
I mean, daily bearish, would you be interested in sells here? If we like come up to the full range, let's say we just fill the whole range here.
I mean, we're gonna have a 4-hour candle that's gonna open, so
Boy, that's celery right there.
Yeah, probably gonna stay bullish.
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, maybe like something like this, and then boom, break of the highs, so we fill the range.
Yeah.
Am I better in New York than Asian? Let's take a look at the data. Let's see. I mean, I think I'm good all around. Like New York session is obviously where I take the most trades, and then this is Asian, so we really don't take many losers in Asian. Yeah, and the losers that we do take in Asian, we typically get them like right back. But yeah, these 3 boxes represent, the first one's London, and then this is New York, and then this is Asian. So, I don't know. You guys decide. What do you guys think? I'm not sure.
You just hit in every session, so.
We just hit. We look for good playbook setups, and we just, boom, fire away. If it's up, then it's up. That's right. That's right. How do you show that? That's on TradeZella. Yeah, TradeZella. Okay, 4-hour closure in 43 seconds. Let's see what we got. Pull back for us. Yeah, worst case, we can wait on a little pullback, like a 4-hour bottom wick to come in, right? And then even if we catch the celery like that too, not bad.
Not really.
Like
Yeah, I agree. Looks money.
All right, 3, 2, or 8, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, here it comes. Might close a no top wick here.
No
Crazy.
top wick.
Crazy.
That's
And no
crazy
top
work right there. Ah!
Wow.
Oh man.
Triggering.
Insane.
Goldie's funny. It might be to give us even better setup maybe or something. So
Yeah, so I guess with no top wick now, right? A bearish daily candle. I think if we can, kind of wick up and close bearish, then we got a shot here. I would only take this trade coming back down towards like 89 though, because we could still move bullish, right? The 4-hour candle did leave a wick. It's just this, you know, this 1 hour candle here. So yeah,
I love
if we get
that,
a
yeah.
15 closure, bearish closure, we could take some sells. They'll probably be pretty short lived, right? Maybe down into like 94, full target down into 88 or something like that.
Yeah, and let's say it drives down all the way down to 89 right now, without giving us a resistance first, we can clearly look for like an onion play too, because the 4 hour didn't close with no top wick. It's still closed with a wick and all that, so.
Exactly. Yep.
Yeah. So I'm cooking here.
We're cooking.
We're cooking. Let the buyers get in now.
Oh wow, ChatGPT taking over, man.
ChatGPT.
All right, let's see. Might be interested in the sells here, as we could potentially expect like a 4 hour move down, right? Bottom wick being formed before going back up, especially with that 1 hour candle closing with no top wick. Yeah, and if we can't catch the move down, then we wait for like the opportunity to buy again, right? So maybe like a move down, right? We kind of test that area, and then we create support, right? That would make for a real good buy here. Bump, bump, bump. Or if we break the high here, right, and then come back down and re-break the low, I might be interested in that too. Because we have to, if we're going to take the shorts, right? I mean, we may melt all the way down today, right? But if we're going to get in with the idea of the 4 hour bottom wick being formed, and that's our entry, then we want to get in as soon as possible, really, right? So it's either the candle goes up, breaks the high, and then comes back down, we enter, or we close like bearish and we take the sell from there.
Yeah, exact my idea too.
Yo, what up, Ayush? Good morning, brother.
Ayush.
Good morning. Good morning.
How about
How you
you?
doing,
Or
brother,
good,
man?
sheesh. Good evening, maybe. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Bum, bum, The no top wick concept again. Yeah, like no top wick, just kind of a wick equals a range, you know? So if there's no top wick, that means there's no range, right? So what I mean by that is a lot of times during volume, that wick will be a range. That's why you ever hear the term wick fill. So we look to fill these wicks during those high times of volume. So if the candle doesn't have a wick, what'll tend to happen is the next one will kind of go down, make its way up, but then it will look left and be like, there's no range, right? And then it will just kind of duck itself back down. And, you know, maybe price will continue moving bullish later, but, you know, it has to pull back at that point. So, or it doesn't have to. It's more likely to pull back, right? And then all of a sudden it'll create like support. And then that one wick now becomes the new range, right? The new wick to fill up here. And that's why we would look to kind of take that buy and target that wick fill. Yeah. All right, I'm actually going to attempt this here. So I'm going to have a sell stop on the break of the lows. It's 10 a.m. We should be getting a 4 hour lower wick here. We got no top wick. We're right in this 1 hour resistance level here as well. If we break that high, that's okay. That would be us breaking the 4 hour high. So at that point, we should not come down to break that low unless we're ready to come and make a steeper low. So there's the break of the high. Now this will be pretty valid if we re-break the low.
I like that. Yeah, I love the 1 hour here. Like no top wick, top of the range, tapping resistance.
Yep, right here.
Yeah, looking pretty good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got so I'd say partials, right? I mean the ranges are massive here, right? So partials you got probably sitting around 96, right? Somewhere around 96. That'll give us about 65 pips. So we'll see if we can make that happen, and yeah, see if we can collect some pips here. And again, if not, right, if it takes a little too long, then we could just wait on the closure, right, and then see if we could take some sells from that point. And if that don't happen, you know, you already know. There's many ideas here, many ideas. But we'll start with this one.
Yep.
Dun 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 dun. Is this not valid top wick on the 4 hour itself? No, the 4 hour is valid. The 4 hour is certainly valid. So we should not break that 4 hour high and come down now and break that low, right? That just would not make sense. So if we do break the high, that means there's a ton of buyers that have been activated, and their stop losses are somewhere down here, which is where we're trying to collect our pips, right? So that's why typically when we get in these trades, it moves quickly because it's just ding, 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 ringing up those orders, right? Stopping the buyers out, and then eventually it'll kind of move itself back up. So it's a little bit of a counter trend trade, but the idea and the technicals make sense here. Why is my heartbeat? You're probably a little oversized, or maybe you just haven't taken enough trades, you know, in the long game. My heart's beating pretty good right now, but I'll be honest, if I make that 1 a 4, oh buddy, start pounding. Oh, it's evening in India. That's right. 7:33. How's it 7:33 and it's 10:06 here?
It's wild, bro. Man's in the future.
Man, Ayush is Ayush, you're in the future. Give me the result of this trade, brother.
Right?
Why can't it work like
Ayush,
that?
tell me what to do, bro.
How come like people in India can't like have already seen this happen and then just let us know about it, you know?
Yeah, for real.
That'd be amazing.
Hey man, you
Make
know
my
that
job
that
so
sell
much more easier.
that sell stop you have right now? Don't do it, bro. It wicked in and it just filled the wick.
Yeah. All right, bet then we'll have 100% win rate with that signal.
Hey, I'd move to India and I'd make so much money just telling people the future.
Really, bro. It's really that simple.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that is probably going to make me want to delete this. Yeah, 137 pip stop, so nothing. Gonna delete.
Yeah.
Trades fluctuate. You had the heartbeat going
Sheesh.
yesterday? Uh-oh. Yo, yesterday we were 1 pip from stops. That was pretty crazy.
Yeah, man.
And it's so funny because I said, hey, let's move this stop, right? Pause for a minute. I was like, let's move it. You know, we moved it like maybe 4 or 5 pips, I think. I'm not sure what it was, but hey, W adjustment.
Thank God.
ES. What about ES? Yeah, I think we could catch some sells on ES too if we get that resistance. So, yeah, I wanted some sells below here, but we closed way down there. We're coming back up now, so let's see how we react to that zone there. Let me just check that 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour closed below here, so we're actually looking pretty damn good. So if we can get a 15-minute resistance here, then yeah, we're going in. We're going in.
Nice.
We're going in. We got about a 80 pip range to the downside here.
Looks good.
Yeah, so we got options. Mistakenly pressed market sell. Oh, that happens. Oh, negative 15 bucks. All right, you're good. Phew.
Bro, do you ever gone through this, like you're looking, let's say you're looking at a pair and then you see and you place, well, this was back in MT4 or MT5, but you place the entry on that pair and then you look that you are in a different pair?
Oh yeah, I've done that.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, that's GBP JPY, not gold. What the hecky?
Bro, that happened to me a lot with pound yen and gold. I'll be like, oh, here it is, and put the numbers, and I was trying to trade gold, and it was on GJ, and I'm like, what is it doing? Oh, dude, wrong. Everything
Happens.
Everything wrong.
That has definitely happened to me as a rookie. You know what else, bro? What's even worse is you're taking a buy, but you press sell. That's happened to me too.
Yeah,
like, I was like,
too.
I would be like distracted or whatever, like walking in the hallways at high school, and I'd be like, all right, bet this buy's looking good, and press sell.
Yeah, I've done that.
Be like, damn it.
Yeah, I guess that was the lower wick on gold 4 hour.
Whoa.
You know
We're
what?
just juicing up here.
Yeah, 4-hour celery gone.
It's a goner.
No top wick. Gets hard to get in.
That might be my day, boys.
It's Joe's
Yeah, bro.
birthday. We're doing hibachi tonight, right? We got to get a W for Joe though. I don't think we can leave without a big W.
Nah, we
wanted
can't.
it.
Little birthday dub.
I know. I wanted, but he
Oh,
needs
it's
that
only
birthday
1 minute.
boost.
I got legs today,
Only
man.
1 minute. You'll see something.
We didn't do legs yesterday. How was your workout?
Bro,
I was
legs,
running late.
my legs hurt.
That trade pushed me 10 minutes back on everything yesterday. Like everything I had to do yesterday, I was 10 minutes late. So I was like, I hit up Xavier, my trainer. I'm like, bro, I'm running like 10 minutes late here, G. He's like, why don't we save legs for tomorrow then? I was like, yeah, because you gotta put a lot of attention on those legs. You down for hibachi, Nathan? Let's do it. We got hibachi going today. I go to hibachi
Hibachi's so
so
good, man.
much, I tell the chef the jokes. Literally. It's hard to impress my daughter Alea. She's like, yeah, what's next? Yeah, we know. She knows all the jokes before they come out. Phil, just a 1 hour 30, 15 all with no top wick, if you're asking about this one here. Plus looking for a 4 hour lower wick. She's gone though.
She gone.
Bad couple of days for you. Yeah, it's been a choppy week. That's why I've been very disciplined here, very patient. Not trying to do too much. Just trying to close this. Notice how the last week or so I've only really made like either made or lost a couple $100, as opposed to like, the bigger dollars.
Do you like close your back below here, or?
Yeah, I actually do. I don't see why that 4 hour
Same.
candle would break its own low here now, unless we want to go down.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Yeah, that's the idea, right?
Yeah, take a look at ES too. 2 minutes here.
Oh yeah.
Looking pretty fire.
Yeah, this will be pretty nice. I'll actually be
The
open for this.
15.
4 hour looking good to go down.
Yeah, really good. That 15 minute. Ooh. It goes below.
Yeah, no, looks dirty. Looks good. So maybe ES, maybe gold. ES looking like a little bit better than gold right now.
Yeah.
Hey, how are you, Shanks? Yeah, we'll be showing the chef the tricks. Yeah, save it, buddy. We already know what you're gonna do. Let me guess. They do the little what's that one guy's name? They have him,
Volcano thing or
flop up
volcano?
and down. Soggy. Yeah, whatever.
It's like, bro,
Just hurry up with the food. Get the steaks done, bro.
Let me get that fried rice and chicken.
Skip the show, buddy. Just cook the food.
Bro, I've never seen a guy eat so much as Johnny Jumps.
I know. The guy's a savage, bro. What the heck?
Bro, that man ate a whole plate and there was I can't even explain it, bro.
I cleaned it up, bro. I ate it
Bro.
off the plate, and then I cleaned it off the plate as well.
Dang.
Holy.
He cleaned it with his knife.
Oh, rice, let's get it.
Bro
Double
got
rice too, of course, bro. We don't do that veggie stuff.
triple eggs, triple
Triple
eggs.
eggs.
Oh, bro.
Yeah. I was feeling good after too,
Nah, that was crazy, bro.
and double teriyaki chicken as well.
Sheesh. Their chicken
Love
is fire. Like, I don't know, man. It's just
I need the protein.
that's like the only place I'll allow my body to consume seed oils, because it's like that good. It's like, all right, whatever. Just put the stupid high sodium, low sodium stuff in it, and just get it out of here, man. Put it on the plate and let's go.
Seagulls, man. But yeah.
I'll just do the double chicken. My guy Nick will do the trio. He'll do like the shrimp, chicken, and steak, right, Nick?
Yeah, all of it.
Yeah, bro, that's the only way you can go, bro.
Seriously.
Yep.
Yeah, for real.
You either go
You
trio
did that
or
last
you
time
don't go
too,
at all.
remember?
Yeah, I usually always get that.
You kept
I
it
went
low
to
carb.
Yeah, I went to a
Right.
Chinese restaurant yesterday, and that's what I had. Had a triple meat with the rice.
Yeah.
That's
Little
amazing.
trio
You low-key-
special. Nobody knows nothing.
You
Yeah,
gotta
the
double.
trio.
You really gotta double the meat though, like or triple the meat because you need that protein. I mean, I think so.
Yeah.
A lot of protein. Must eat
DeMarco,
protein.
yeah. Literally watched you eat 5 hamburgers. Yeah, I know, bro. I
Yo,
know.
for real. Yeah, meanwhile, I didn't even get one.
Yeah.
I'm over
Those
here
were
spending
so
like
good.
$300 on cheeseburgers. I'm like, hey guys, any more cheeseburgers left? They're like, nah, they're all gone. I'm like, what?
As me and Magnus are grabbing
Damn.
one.
Yeah, John's got 3 cheeseburgers on his plate.
Bro.
Magnus is finishing one with another one on his plate. I'm like, damn.
Bro,
How
we
you ain't
just
gonna
had
say
there,
no
like
burgers,
2 in our
man?
hands. And we're like, oh no, there's no more. Bro, no.
Bro, we locked in real
I'm
quick,
like,
bro.
no
We
more.
seen
Wait,
the
you didn't
bills
save
getting
any
on.
for me?
Bro, we had for real like tunnel vision for those burgers.
Oh, yeah,
bro,
it's
we
tunnel
locked
vision.
in on them.
Jay Pipsky almost burnt the whole mansion down.
Those burgers were mad good though.
I'm thinking,
Respect,
I hope this guy knows what he's doing. We might have a problem here.
I'm like, bro, that looks like it's about to start a fire.
Damn, DeMarco didn't get a burger? Bro, DeMarco, these guys got like 4 burgers each. Holy.
Bro.
Dang.
Didn't even save any for the guy who bought them. My goodness.
I don't
My
know what you're
goodness.
talking about, John.
yeah.
No idea what you're talking about.
Yeah,
I'm like,
right?
what do you
I
mean?
don't know.
We went through $200
You got a
worth of
burger,
cheeseburgers already?
You got a burger too, bro. Don't lie.
I had a very, very late burger. Yeah, when we had to actually go back to the store to get more burgers, and then I had a burger.
Damn, bro. It's tough.
It's tough, but you know,
Stop.
I can say with that stuff.
leaders eat
Man, it's
last.
just tough.
Leaders eat last, you know.
Yeah, you know, I'm good. Tough.
We're just trolling.
You know, DeMarco barely got one for his wife, bro. You guys are savages.
What up, DeMarco?
Eric P, yes, Eric P, man. We had to get the second chef up there, and yeah, that's right. Shout out to Eric P.
Facts, bro.
I was
Shout
legit
out,
like,
man.
bro, let me give you a 50K funded account, please, like, you saved this burger for me, like, let me hook you up. He's like, nah. So let me give you a 50K.
Facts.
Thanks for holding it down. Yeah, we had to switch.
But
We
like,
had a little chef switch, a little switch up.
Facts, bro. Eric P and Jay Pipsy, great chefs, bro.
Oh my goodness.
Both burgers were amazing.
They done did it. ES, we got a crappy closure, so we gotta wait for a 30. Yeah. Wanted the 15, but I don't like that closure, plus no top wick, and we'll wait for the 30 here. 11 minutes.
Goldie though.
Goldie,
Inverted Celery
though.
30 and 15 fake out.
Goldie, though, why is the 4-hour candle coming back down? It should not be coming back
Interesting.
down right now. Yeah, it should be break that high, break this high, and keep moving.
Yeah, and the thing is, we tap resistance too, and if you look at the daily, we kind of come up to the wicks that we were previously rejected from there,
Yeah, we never broke
and
the
it's
highs.
still bearish, the previous one.
Yep, 4-hour coming right into resistance here as well. 1 hour no top
Yeah.
wick, 30-minute rejecting, very small wick on the 30, aka fade. Fade, you know, resembles like a potential setup there. So yeah, we'll see how this candle does. We got 10 minutes, so 10 minutes.
Oh yeah.
I look spent waiting for a burger.
Tendencies.
I look like some little boy that just like can't find his dog. I'm like, where's my dog? I was like, where's the burgers, man? Stay blessed, my friend. Stay blessed. We'll see you on the next one. Goldie lining up for some. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, it looks really good.
We should be good. We should be able to get a trade here in this session. Don't count us out. Don't count us out, man. We're famous for some buzzer beaters. So.
Oh yeah. Johnny, you were just about to leave right there.
I know, right? Can never leave, man. Can never leave with TT because like Nick just said, buzzer beaters, bro. They're here.
Never, bro. Never. And Joey Stew's birthday, man. We gotta get those pips.
Exactly. Yeah,
Joey Stew.
We're doing it for him.
We're doing it for Joey Stew. We need a birthday W.
Facts, yeah.
Holy.
What a quote, JDZ. What a quote.
Let's call it.
JDZ.
Johnny.
Yeah, I haven't heard that in a while. I haven't said that in a minute though.
Legendary
Since Chad's called me
quote.
out on it, I've been here all sessions.
Oh, that's mad funny.
Yeah, that evolved pretty quick because it used to be so. What are you doing today, Nick?
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah.
Now you knew that was coming.
Right.
So Nick, what's the plan today?
Right.
And now everyone in the YouTube chat know it was a no trade.
Yeah.
Let's call it.
Yo. Now you don't hear anything.
One of these days,
Now you
like,
don't hear
where's
nothing.
Johnny? Just disappeared.
This guy's gone. He's at the gym
Or
right.
if
He's
you
40.
ask, it's
He's
like in the
40 pips
beginning.
in profit and at the gym already. We're like, all right, chat. Here comes the setup. Let's wait for this top wick. Where's John? Oh, he's 40 pips in profit already, and he's at the gym. What the hecky? When did that happen?
When did he leave?
Where did you enter, John? Nobody knows nothing.
Nobody knows nothing.
What do I do in drawdown? I don't do drawdown. No, I'm just kidding. I honestly, I don't do drawdown too much. So I haven't been in drawdown in quite some time. But I do the same thing in drawdown that I do in profit. I just show up, look for the next best trade, size it accordingly, and just continue to let the probabilities play out. That's probably why I'm very rarely in drawdown. Message.
Damn, that was big.
Wow, did I just say that? That's crazy.
You mean drawdown as in like account drawdown or?
Yeah, say it one more time.
You missed a big move? I don't miss moves either. I don't do drawdown. I don't miss moves. I just show up and look for good setups according to the playbook and let the probabilities take over.
Yeah, really.
Shanks.
Let go, let God.
Yeah.
Saw me in drawdown yesterday. Well, hey, in the trade. Oh, you talking about trade or profits? Oh yeah, drawdown on trades. That's light. This is part of the game. I thought you meant drawdown on profits.
Yesterday was fun. We watched that in the London session too.
Did you?
That trade. Yeah, that was insane.
Little
Nice.
one pip from stops.
Bro, one pip, like.
It was close.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. To be honest, now that like I'm thinking about that question, and it's like once you really dial in your trading, you really don't have to be in drawdown. Like not a lot of like once you really get the hang of this thing and you're willing to be disciplined and just follow this, like whether it's my system or your own system that you created that produces profits. I mean, you really shouldn't be in drawdown too often, right? From a P&L standpoint, we know how to trade, right? So we're typically going to find ourselves in profits for the most part. I haven't been in drawdown at all this year. You know what I mean? I got off to a great start and never went into drawdown from a P&L perspective on a month-to-month basis. So again, trading is not that difficult, gang. I mean, you go to work and you follow the rules at your job. Just follow the stinking rules here too. That's it. Like you're so good at going to work, showing up on time, following all the rules, doing extra work if they ask you, work that you don't want to do, yet for some reason, you can't follow the rules in your own trading business, right? So once you follow those rules, man, I mean, the game changes. And you really do set yourself up to be a profitable trader. So Think about that a little bit. You know, are you committing more to your boss's dream than your own dream? Are you committing more to the owner of where you work than you, right? In your future? Because at the end of the day, you're going to follow the rules, and guess who you're going to make rich? Not you, that guy, right? Or that girl. But if you follow the rules here, guess who gets rich? You do. That just made sense to me, you know? I hope that clicks for you. I hope you understand that. Because, you know, just as easy as it is to follow the rules at work, you can follow the rules right here too.
Yeah, love that.
Clip it.
Clip it.
Good one.
Flip it.
And it's like you follow the rules every day. Every day at work. Yet you're like, Nick, I can't. I went 2 days, I followed the plan, but on the third day I just couldn't. I just wanted to make the money. Like, what? Like, how many days in a row have you followed the rules at your job? Every day, I'm sure, since you worked there, right? Otherwise, you probably wouldn't have a job anymore. So just follow those rules here, man. Don't complicate it, man. You're building your future is much more exciting and productive than building someone else's future, you know? So just work on that.
Bro.
Work on that.
Yeah, I mean, we laugh, it's funny and all that, but it's so true.
Yeah.
It's so true, really.
We joke about it. We try and explain this to you without making you feel so bad, but we really would do you a disservice if we did not shine the light on it, right? Because, I mean, can anyone admit here without having to type anything in the chat, you are more, you follow the rules of your job more than you follow the rules of your trading business. And that's going to have to change. You know, that's going to have to change if you want to see different results here at the desk. So, you know, still commit to your job, right? You need that for cash flow, but you know, if you're going to follow his rules, you better follow your rules. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, my friend, you're fired. You're fired. You don't want this guy. Look at this. I mean, the only guy I know that gets shot in the ear and still has one. Holy.
Damn. That's pretty sick, though.
He grew back. The only ears I've ever seen or tails I've ever seen grow back were reptilians. Oh, whoa! Let's not even. Let's not even. Calm down. It's the only way. It's the only way, man. You got to follow your plans.
Mike Tyson did more damage than a bullet.
Yo, Mike Tyson, did more damage on Evander Holyfield's ear than the sniper rifle that tried to take out the president of the United States. I love how they had the media guys ready to go. Once he got, if you look at the video, you look at it and they go, all right, come on. And the media guys, so they can capture that picture that they put on like the magazine and all that. Man, what a psyop. What a psyop, gang. The world is a stage.
Really is.
The world is a stage.
100%.
Nobody move. Nobody's ear gets clipped. Snap. Yeah, man. Yup. Be different. Yup, just be different. Wanted to make the money the first day, but not following the plan and it shows. Yeah, exactly. So sometimes that's going to happen. You chase that money, and that money just keeps running away. So the reason I'm able to pump these accounts is because I've developed over time, and it's a skill set to develop this before you're really like crushing it, right? Is the nonchalant, right? Like, you guys ever heard that term? Like, you don't care that much, right? Like, it's whatever, you know? And that's why I'm able, I feel like, to kind of pass these accounts pretty quickly and get the payouts, because I just don't care. You know, I don't care. I want to trust the playbook. I want to trust the setup. I don't care about the result of it. And I just let the numbers play out. So where people are too tight on, they care too much, they want to get this, they want to make that, you know, they care a little too much, and it's hurting them, you know? So try and ease back a little bit and develop that like nonchalant type of, you know, mentality. All right. 19 seconds on gold, 19 seconds on ES. And let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the GC.
Both looking pretty good.
Honestly, gold is going to be my go-to, obviously, here. So,
yeah, same.
Yeah, let's see. We got a 30-minute inverted celery. Might have some sell stops on the break of the lows there. Maybe even do it on the break of the previous 15 low. So we're just going to need a top wick, and we're good to go. Top wick, Gold. Top wick. You haven't given us one today. Not one.
Looks nice.
All right, perfect. That should do it.
Like
that'll be like a 52 pip stop. We'll keep the stops pretty. I know, right? That literally looks like 10 pips. Like why?
Literally like 5-10
52 pips.
Crazy.
So yeah, sell stops for me on the break of the lows here. We'll see if we can get activated, and then what we'll look to do is probably by the time we break that low there, it's 44 pips. You know what I mean? We could either close some partials or at least go break even.
Yeah, I love that. Sounds good.
Yeah, why would this 4-hour candle just reject like that? Yeah, the previous candle is going to be like just 190 pips, so something light. Yeah, so we're going to need current candle stops.
Definitely.
Another trade is always coming. That's right. That's right. So I don't think I could trade my Top Step account today, right? Or do they do that pretty automatically now?
No, I don't think you can.
Okay,
No,
I'll
I
wait.
don't think so, no.
It's alright. I'll wait.
Yeah, I usually wait too, but maybe you can. I don't know. JDC says you can, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So maybe I'll do it.
You can, yeah. Maybe you
Yeah?
can then.
Even though I just took the
What
payout,
was
like
it?
literally like a half hour ago. Yeah, they'll
I have
scam
no
you out
idea.
of it somehow.
I'd typically wait, but yeah, I could be wrong.
Oh, if you lose, you lose the payout though. No, thank you. I'm not. I mean, I'm. You know,
I wouldn't try.
I'm not that dumb.
I mean, you don't lose, but like if.
What a fun risk to take. Oh, I won't lose the payout. Hey, you sure, man? AB Mike, I know you got some money, so I could probably trust you because you could pay me the payout. Positive? Okay. Okay, cool. All right, you guys owe me some money if they deny my payout. So why don't we just go big then?
Do it.
Real big.
Possibly take another 5K payout.
Right?
Yeah. Why not?
What happens if I blow the account? Let me see what my
Bro, that's why I
balance
don't
shows.
risk it, you know?
You guys about to mess me up here. Hold on. I'm scared. Okay,
Yeah,
my
I feel
balance
you.
does show 4K though, so am I good? I'm gonna trust you guys. Yeah? Alright, let's do this.
Bro, why not just trade on a different account?
Yeah, you're right. Alright, here we go. Let's see if we can get down. Once we break that low there, we can look to move stops to break even. And then we'll see if we can get down into like, really, sheesh. Yeah, somewhere down here, it'd be like 30, 40 pips. Alright.
Nice, yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. Alright. I'm not going to take it on Top Step. I'm not going to do it. Yeah. Not going to do it. Alright, when we break the low, I think we can go break even here. And then partials, at some point, anywhere you want, really. You know, the ranges are massive here. So it's really just about maybe getting to break even and then looking to, close some partials.
I feel like once we break that low,
Yeah, we want to break that low there.
04, I think
Yeah.
that's where we start to just start melting.
Me too. That's a 30 low too, I believe. Yeah, that previous 30. So we really want to break that
30,
low.
1 hour, 4 hour.
Yeah, that'd be money if you do that.
30, 1 hour, and 4 hour low there. So we should see a push down.
Yeah.
We'll break that.
Got 33 pips. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, 34 there. 34. So we never broke the 30 low, right? We gotta break that low, otherwise this 30-minute candle can literally just flip bullish. So we want to see that low break, and then we can pretty much be pretty confident in us moving down towards like 97-ish, somewhere down there.
Oh yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
Order fill.
50 pips, nice. Damn, got a good entry. Let's go, Angelo Betts. Let's get him. Let's get it.
With the gun.
Yo, Angela.
Boom, 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 boom. Got break even. All right. Not bad, not bad. I want to push down a little bit more before break even because we haven't broke that low yet. Yeah, keep in mind the 30 is still bullish here too. So as long as we respect that low, anything can happen here. Boom. 30 low broke on forex. Okay, that's good news. That's good news. Forex giving us the
Definitely got
future.
the volume though. No, please not imagine like last New York.
Please don't. Please don't.
Please don't.
Bro, let's go. Let's break through that.
Please,
4
Gold.
hour
We
low.
love
We're
you.
Good.
Yeah, we are. Yeah. Should be good.
Okay, that's going to be break even for me. I'll close some partials up there too. Let me close some on this account and coming in hot
Cool.
here. Oh, I'm going to close. Yeah, I'm going to close right there because
Sounds good,
we
bro.
came in, we hit that area. We might reject that. So I'm going to leave it open on my other account. Just going to go break even, but I'm going to take some partials and close there. And then let's see what we do here on this.
Yes, sir.
Can
We're
we
taking
re-break?
payout here now too.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Let's get it.
Yes,
Almost.
sir.
I need another $200 for a payout.
Oh.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely. All right, not the heaviest win, but you know, 150, 300. Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. I'm gonna hold on my live account here, see if we can kind of break those lows, close some partials there. So
This could be a massive bleeder.
yeah, it could. Yeah, I got 2 contracts left in. So I'm sorry, 1 contract left. No, two. Oh, happy birthday, Joe. There you go, Joey Stew,
Let's go.
buzzer beater.
Happy birthday, Joe.
I want to
Birthday
see if we can
picture.
keep humming here. I'm still active on this account. Closed partials, so I got a little position left in here. Small little
we got
position.
Clean range to the left.
This should be a melter here.
Yeah,
Yeah. I'm only out because of payout there. But
nice.
Nice. Congrats, bro. Let's get it.
thank you. Yes, sir. Let's go.
Yeah, on the
Keep
live
winning.
account. So I closed
Yep.
partials right here on the live account, and then the rest of it I'm just gonna hold down into 96 there. So right down into 96 is where I'll pretty much close the rest of it. If we get down there.
Everything's below resistance right now too, so
Yep.
love it.
Spreads took all the profits. Ay. Massive lag. Oh. Yeah, we'll see. We should continue humming here.
Yeah. Definitely.
We can watch on my other account if anything here. All right, let's see if we can move on down. I'm probably gonna close at least another contract here at whatever this is. Partials. We'll close some more partials around like 96.
Yeah, 97, 96 is what I'm looking at.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah, it should be cleaned out of there.
Yeah, I think I'll go break even here too now. So I'm gonna go break even on this live account. Put stops at BE, and then yeah, whatever happens, we let it run. How you doing? Joey Stew, we had to get it in for you, brother. We had to.
Let's do, baby.
We had to.
Oh,
Where's my tools? There they are. All right. Well, if you took that trade, if you're still in the trade, spam a W in the chat. That's our Thursday profits here today. Not too bad. We had to wait a lot. Pretty decent time for this one, but not too bad. Not too bad. We'll take it. We'll take it. We broke those 30 lows here, so we should head straight down towards like 96 at this point, and look to get some more partials out of that. W.
Yeah, let's see the melter here. Last 5-minute push, I think we bleed down.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Seven.
Let's see.
Looking good though.
Can we get it? Can we get it? That's the big question. Joey Stew, birthday onion. Little birthday onion.
Birthday onion. We'll take the veggies on the charts.
Facts. All right, anyone got questions? We're going to go over this trade in just a moment. Does anyone have any questions that you guys want to chat about? In a minute, we'll go over... Holy! My goodness.
Whoa.
Bro, Nick, your P&L, it's got to be fake. So that means JD's is fake and everyone else is fake too, eh? Hey, we're putting on a show right now. Look at 46,000 in profit, baby. Love that. Love it, man. Love it.
Savage.
Facts. I love
Dude
it
is
too,
a
bro.
savage.
Savage.
Savages
Oh,
for sure.
snap. All right, Goldie. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see if we can get it. That month is insane. That's wild. That's
It is.
incredible.
Pretty wild.
All right, let's move stops to break even. Yes, sir. What a blessing. Yep. Showing everyone what's possible, baby. Showing them what's possible. 2 minutes on a closure here. So let's see how we close. If we close with no wick, you already know I'll close this trade. If we leave a wick, then we'll just let it run. We'll let it run.
Yeah, why not, bro? 30 and 1 hour, 4 hour looking good. Keep moving down here.
For me, the most difficult part is not to find sellers, the right ones according to the timing. The timing is where it's at. Yep.
Oh, you pushed there.
Let's go, Goldie. Let's go. We got a
Last
little
two
bit
minute
more.
push
We
it.
only got 2 contracts in, but
Yeah,
a little
more.
2 MGCs too, so we're almost there. John, what are you doing? You closing up?
I'm still in, bro. Yeah,
Let's go.
holding.
89 pips. We're looking for about 100, 130 here. Something light.
It just feel like we got a great read here.
I wanted to start my own capital. Yeah, you could use like trade. I use Tradeovate, so you could use this broker here. Pretty good. Not the worst. Not the worst. How much margin do you need? I don't know. I'm pretty sure you could trade with like $500 in the account. $600 should be enough. I think so. 220 pips for my trailing. Oh man, he's showing off now. You're stealing the show here, man. You're stealing the show.
Still in the show, bro.
Look at you. Look at you. Lovely. That's amazing. 220. Very good.
Nice job.
Oh, I made 666. Oh, snap. It's alright. It's alright. Lose $1. Win or lose $1. Alright, this was my first partial right here. So let me just... Yeah, right there, and then we'll see if we can get down. We might hit break even on the rest of this. We got a new candle coming up here too in 13 seconds. All right, can we survive? Can we survive? We'll see. We'll see. But overall, great trade.
Yeah,
stuff.
really, really good trade.
Yes, sir.
Good stuff. Good stuff. So we could chat about this trade here real quick and talk about why we took the trade, what we were looking for, and all that good stuff. So let's just talk about it real quick. One sec. Okay, so let's drop down to, it all starts on the daily, right? So we got the daily candle moving up. We respected the highs on the previous daily candle. I mean, obviously it doesn't look too bearish right now, right? But we were anticipating the move down from there. So the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour pushed up, and we ended up closing like a celery play. All right, let me just get rid of all this. So we end up closing a little bit of a celery play. We don't take these buys, right? We wait for a lower wick. We don't really get much. We fill the wick. And then, at the same time, that 1 hour candle closed with no top wick, right? If we go to that 1 hour. So you got no top wick on that 1 hour. This is your previous 4 hour high, right? So if you break these highs here and here, you have no business coming back down to break the low, right? So we end up coming back down, rejecting off here. We break that low. And before we break the low, we close bearish, right? On this 15-minute time frame. And if you look, we closed bearish below the range, right? Did we close below that range? Yeah, we even closed below there. So we got a nice fake out, nice closure back below the range. The 30 minutes sets up for like a inverted celery type of play. And that was that. You know what I mean? We were going to enter on the break of the 30 lows, but instead we got a better entry and the break of the 15 lows. So that way, when we broke the 30 lows, we could use that, right? For partials or even break even, in which we did. So at that point, I believe we had roughly about 45 pips, and that was enough to close partials, go break even, and now we just got runners sitting in. So the runners may not run, right, due to the fact that we're kind of trying to move up here, but it was enough to close some partials and get ourselves to break even. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, we'll walk away profitable here, and that's break even for me on the live account. Yeah, perfect. Any questions? One pip? Yeah. 1 pip. That was an onion. Yeah. That was a 15-minute onion play. Yep. Resistance right here. We took the sell right off that resistance. Yep. It's perfect.
Nice.
Let's see. 5 minute, 30 minute celery, onion. Yes. So basically, yeah, I would mark it down in your journal as like a 15-minute onion. Yeah. $15 minutes. Is this a counter trend? Yes, definitely. Countering the 4 hour, pretty much. Yep. Calling it for Asian? Yeah, I think so.
Let's call it.
The 4 hour potentially making a steeper bottom wick to continue bullish. That could be the case. That could certainly be the case. Yep. But that'll be it for me. Yeah, that'll be it. We got some pips. I could pay for Joey Stew's dinner now, and I think that's that. Yeah, we come back tomorrow. Friday, last day of the month. Last day of the. Let me see something here. Last day. Yeah, tomorrow's the last day of the month here. So we'll finish strong here, and then we got all November. Yeah.
November's gonna be good.
All right.
I can just feel it now.
Me too. So we forgot to let me get myself organized, and we're gonna do that giveaway tomorrow. All right. I'm not fully organized with it right now, so let me get it all situated. We'll do all the giveaways tomorrow on the New York session live stream. We're gonna give away 10 50K instant funded accounts to Clubhouse members. So as long as you're in the Clubhouse, you'll be good to enter the duckling race, and best of luck. We're gonna pick 10 people, and those 10 people are gonna get the 50K instant funded accounts. So we'll do it tomorrow, just because I'm not prepared right this moment, and that also will leave anyone else that wants to get involved in the Clubhouse. You got like 24 hours to join the winning squad, all right, and lock it in and level up with us. So it's gonna be a great month of November. Really good time to lock it in and take it to the next level in your trading. And yeah, we'll close out tomorrow. Close out strong.
Yes, sir, man. Let's get it. Sounds good.
Alrighty. Johnny Gems,
Sounds good.
Rafi, Magnus,
Peace,
the
boys.
Viking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Here.
Great
Thank
trade.
you for the pips.
Yes, sir. Great trade, everyone.
Peace out, chat. God bless
Hey,
y'all.
By the way to be patient today, right? Price threw a lot at us here today, and we did not deviate, right? We didn't settle. We didn't take anything that didn't have our name on it, and the first option that did have our name on it, we went and stepped in. So great job. Way to be disciplined. Way to be patient. That's what it's going to take to win long term here. So you guys are doing that today. Now you just do it every day, day by day, and watch the results move in your favor. Yeah.
Lovely.
All right, boys.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Chat. Have a great
God bless
day.
y'all.
Peace,
See y'all
boys.
tomorrow.
Happy birthday, Joe.
Clubhouse.
Peace.
Hey, let's get a big happy birthday,
Joe.
Joe,
Happy birthday,
on the
Joey.
way out here today. And I'll see you guys on the next session. Yeah, tomorrow, be ready to lock it in. One more day, we finish the week out, or the month out strong. And I'll see y'all then. All right, have a blessed day, my
Good.
friends.
Happy birthday, Joe.
I hope this session helped you. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace, G's. Later.
We ain't taking no L's. No, 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 no. Saints breaking out of seals. Go, 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 go. The battle's been won. He said it's done. So we ain't taking no L's. We ain't taking no L's. Hey, we seeing W's all in the chat. It's like a home run straight off of the bat. Lion, the Judah, the cat out the bag. I can't dilute it, I'm bringing the facts like I was lost, but now I'm found. Trapped in darkness till you came around. Broken chains all falling to the ground. We ain't taking no L's. No, 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 no. Saints breaking out of seals. Go, 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 go. The battle's been won. He said it's done. So we ain't taking no L's. We ain't taking no L's. Hey, he ain't taking no L's. The victory is already won. 3 days in the ground in the kingdom of gun. Wild, just wait around when he told you to run. Told you to run. Run a race at the pace that you're supposed to. Break through, and there's nothing that he won't do. Broken chains are falling to the ground. We ain't taking no L's. No, 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 no. Saints breaking out of seals. Go, 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 go. The battle's been won. He said it's done. So we ain't taking no L's. We ain't taking no L's. Hey, we ain't taking no L's. We ain't taking no L's. No L's. Hey, taking no L's. We ain't taking no L's.
I've been running this race so long, that's why I keep my top down. Live on my head cause I can't wear the crown too low. Never gon' bow down. Everybody out there running games so they pass on me. Treat 'em like a op, bow. When I came up, they were whooping but was still on a leash. People gon' talk down. They gon' low cause I still serve the most high. No, I won't stop now. When I throw signs up, it's not what they said, dog. Know that for H-Town. Roll with a warrant, try not to get caught, but I'm fly. Still put the top down. Love for the father, make kiss for the fans, y'all. Can't switch on y'all now. Only sinners walk with grace. Pack your bags, follow me home. Pray my seeds, turn out winners. Keeping that lead when I'm long gone. All of my fears can't hold me back. Let go of those who did me wrong. All of my fears won't hold me back. What don't kill me made me strong. Victory lap. We on attack. Ain't looking back. Rushing outside like I'm sleeping in a bando. Bible on me, I've been feeling like Rambo. Devil trying to hide, he ain't wearing no camo. Killing myself, God took it out the plan though. Still on fire for the Lord, where the fan go? Heard them talking stupid, they cut it just like a Van Gogh. I'm seen the bad, let me cut the thing real low. I've been looking up high when I feel low. And we still outside with the kinfolk. I was scraping both sides to the rim, bro. I was walking through church with the trench coat. Sending my 10% through Venmo. Lord said he'd be back, hit a memo. That's a cross around my neck, not a crystal. There's a Bible on me, not a pistol.
what I've been through. Only sinners walk with grace. Pack your bags, follow me home. Bring my seeds, turn out winners. Keeping that lead when I'm long gone. All of my fears can't hold me back. Let go of those who did me wrong. All of my fears won't hold me back. Cause what don't kill me made me strong. Victory lap. We on attack. Ain't looking back.